Ujunwa. Abianuju. Abianuju, I know you're hiding somewhere. It is better you come out, oh. Come out, oh. Come out to the go phone off. Come here. How many times have I told her not to be touching my phone? How many times will I tell you not to call me? No. Is your mother like me? No. No. Do I look like that your cursed mother?
Sorry, Mama. Sorry.
I hope you have finished the work I gave you at the farm.
Yes, I finished everything.
Where's your bench?
I don't know.
Hey! Even the Bible says be your brother's keeper. You don't know anything. You're just a dummy.
Mama, as you're looking for Ujunwa, she's not around. What do you want her to do? I will do anything you want to do for you.
You'll do anything?
Yes, Mama.
What ne? You go phone. Ne well. You go phone. I told her not to touch my phone. Obikanya. She went and broke my phone.
Mama. About the phone. It's not Ujunwa that broke the phone. No. It's me. Please. It was a mistake. I'm sorry.
You broke my phone.
Mistake. The phone, I wanted to carry it from.
No. I saw one of them.
No, it's where you get.
Mama, push me. Let her die. You hold on to.
Please, Mama, will not die. Mama, stop.
It is bad enough that I look up to you. Come here.
Mama, this your thing is not fair. You want to kill her? I said you're pressing her neck.
If for that phone, you will buy it.
Repair it.
Repair it. Phone my business. You will buy it.
Mama, because of phone, you want to kill her because of ordinary phone.
Are you mad? Whose phone is ordinary? My phone? You called my phone ordinary. My phone I kept and she went and collected it and broke the screen. Huh?
Mama, don't see the way you're pressing her neck now. It's not nice. It's not fair. Do you want to kill her?
Go phone. If not, also. I didn't believe you also you come here. Nonsense.
Sister, why did you do it? Why do you always accept something that you're not guilty of?
Do you know I can never stand to see Mama punish you? I love you very much. But I can't keep taking faults for your action. You have to do better. I told you not to touch her phone, but you will not listen. Now see the thing I'm going through because of you. It's not fair. Sister, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Miko, it's okay. It's okay. Just try to do better. Would you pick up? So that I will not just be suffering unnecessarily.
No problem. I agreed you. But why does she not like you referring to her as mother? I mean, your mother is dead, and she's the only mother you have now in your life.
I just know that one day Mama is going to change. Yes, start seeing me as her daughter. But in the meantime, just do it.
Bring it down. Mama is not coming now. Bring it down. Bring it down, John.
I support you in all that you do. One name, I always stand for you, no matter what you do. Alele Bugabo, Chimo, Inafo Waifem Nafo. Alele Bugabo, Chimo, Inafo Waifem.
They pay them like 2,000 or 3,000 every day on a daily basis. Do you understand? And my phone screen you broke is 29,000.
Mama?
Mama Guinea.
That that phone, the new one is not up to 29,000.
Buy me a new phone, no. Buy me a new phone. I don't care how much it is. Any amount I put is my own. You will be working here. You know how long it will take you to be able to raise that 29,000. Okay, ma.
Okay, Mama.
Idiot.
Sorry, Mama, sorry.
I think I'll start slapping you each time you call me Mama. How can you do?
Sorry, Mama. Sorry.
Do I look like your stupid mother? Nonsense.
It's just my school. You know my school. I have to go to school in the morning. I can be coming here in the afternoon to work after school, so I will not miss my classes.
Then only half day. If you start doing half day, you know how long it will take you to get that money for my screen? You will be coming here from 6 to 6, full day job. Yes, call Benkenke, so that they will pay you and my money, my phone, you fix it for me. Whether you like it or not, 6 to 6. Bianna, come. Who will now, Oga? Who will Oga here?
Ma.
Go check whether I see that around.
Mama, what do we go do for you?
I won't see her.
You won't see her?
Nne. What are you doing?
I'm hungry.
But I left food for you now.
No, Mama, I don't want to eat that one. I don't want to eat that one. I want to drink mineral.
Must you drink mineral all the time? Okay. Ebena. You know where my purse is? Go there, collect money and go and buy mineral.
Mama, thank you.
Get me water to drink, because. Hey!
This is pure wickedness. Mama, what is stand to gain? This is pure wickedness. Sister, what is stand to gain? I love you as my mother. I care for you as my sister. I support you in all that you do. One name, I always stand for you, no matter what you do.
No, they open mouth like that, may you no swallow me.
Okay. Alpha. Tomorrow morning, you guys should carry the remaining box in. Then you know they are working tomorrow. You're a strong girl, okay. How many work you do today? Enjoy it. Wow.
You do something for us. You give home at 3,000. You give us 3,000. Wow.
You know the shame.
Wow.
You know the shame. Woman walk past you.
Wow.
It's like Bruce Lee.
Just coming. This is where you're going to sleep. You are sleeping outside today. Okwam ki ji egwu. Eh? Shut up! Again, I'll slap you. And all your teeth will fall on the floor. Who do you think I am? Eh?
Sorry, I promise you I was robbed and I was coming back.
Shut up! You think I'm stupid?
They stole the money from me.
Who stole it?
Snatched the money from me.
You think I'm stupid? I'll send you to go and make money. You come back without the money. You tell me they robbed you.
Mama, I swear on my mother's grave, I am not lying.
Does your mother have a grave? Eh? That your stupid mother ain't were foresight. If she had foresight, she wouldn't have named you Blessing. She would have named you a curse because that is what you are. You will sleep here. This is where you will sleep.
Okay, Mama, I'm going to sleep here, but I'm hungry. I've not eaten anything today. I'm going to faint.
You're hungry. I would be the one to cook the one you eat. You go out there and nonsense. I'll stay here, cook, and you want to eat it. This is your bed tonight. Sleep here. Hey! Please, I will. You think I'm stupid? You call him cock and bull story.
Don't lie. Don't lie. I'm not lying. No.
Good morning, Mama.
What is good about this morning? Eh? You want to sleep till 11 a.m. Chiophobe. Mokem. Wash this bucket. Wash it thoroughly in and out. Don't enter my house like this. Pass through the backyard.
This is pure wickedness. Mama, what is stand to gain? This is pure wickedness. Sister, what is stand to gain? I loved you as my mother. I care for you as my sister. I support you.
Eat. You need the food more than myself. Oh? Libe.
I am ready to go to work.
I was talking. Couldn't you have allowed me finish? Sometimes you behave like somebody who lacks home training.
Sorry, Mama.
Eh?
Sorry.
What did you say?
That I'm ready to go to work.
Hey, go now. You want to take me along?
No.
If you like, you know the money they will pay you. Throw it away. Come home and give me one cock and bull story. Of course, you know the consequence. You know, okay?
I'll sleep outside.
Good.
But Mama, this is not fair. Let her at least eat and...
Will you shut up? You eat and do what? Eh? No, finish your sentence now. Let her eat and choke or eat and die, idiot. Are you still here? Get out, sir. Nonsense.
Mama, this is not good. This is wickedness. It's not good.
I don't blame you. It's because I gave you food to eat. If I had eaten this food without giving you, would you have had strength to come and talk to me anyhow? One day, one day you will anger me. I will slap you and forget my hand on your cheek. Stupid idiot.
Oh my God, Mama, ouch.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Mama, it's not fair.
Stupid girl.
It's not fair now.
Defender of the universe. Come and eat, Osa. Come and eat.
See, Ebuka, what happened? I noticed that Arize was embarrassing you at the stream. What did you do to him? He do 5K because of 5K. That I'm owing that idiot, that boy. That boy harassed me. In fact, to a point of even threatening my life. Me, Ebuka, has it gotten to the level that you could not afford ordinary 5,000 naira? Are you that broke?
Is that one a joke or what? Are you not aware of my financial situation? Which one is that one? I beg you.
You're not a financial institution. Don't you have a girlfriend?
And so what? Does she work? Does she have any job? The one that works or the one that is jobless? Which one is that?
Oga, have you asked your girlfriend money? Have you? Even if you don't have money, her mother might have. Or her brother. Or even her boyfriends.
You have seen me finish. This is pure see finish. Who is the boyfriend now? Me now. I will ask myself for money now.
Okay, you think you are the only boyfriend that she has? See, let me tell you. If you have a girlfriend, ask your girlfriend money. All these are our girlfriends. They have money. And don't think you are the only guy that she's dating. She have one other guy that might be spoiling her with money. You'll be here for me. You are the girlfriend, you are the boyfriend, you are the boyfriend, you are the lover. One guy will just come from nowhere, marry her, and you will not gain anything.
I swear to God, you do since I met you, since I've known you. This is the first reasonable point you've made. See updates.
You will be there for me, boyfriend. Oga, ask your girlfriend money. All these guys you are seeing, they have money. Oh.
I've been sleeping. Oh.
They have guys that are giving them money. Always ask your girlfriend money. They have money. Your girlfriends are your investment.
Not like investment, you too. Okay, I will have like 5 girlfriends.
No, I'm telling you, I'm thinking of increasing my girlfriend. You are there. Someone is embarrassing you because of.
I've agreed, but maybe we'll have girlfriends in investment.
Hello. Now you're going.
Hey, how are you?
Sir. I'm fine.
I was coming to your house, actually.
So
you took this shortcut, eh?
But let's go back because I wanted to go to the market.
No need for me to go back. Okay. I brought this for my niece because I wanted to go and see my doctor to collect some drugs. Now that I've seen you, no need to go back with you.
Okay.
We'll just go home.
Okay. Which of your nieces?
Ngozi now.
Oh, meaning Uju is not your niece.
Come on, look, Amaka, I didn't say so now. Uju is my niece, but you know Uju is covered. So Ngozi now needs special pampering, you know what I mean? So I just want to, please, when you cook them, make sure you give a very large portion to Ngozi.
I will.
Okay.
I will. Thank you, Nai. Thank you very much.
And I hope you started treating her like your own daughter.
Why not? Of course. You can verify from her.
Oh, I trust you. Even this your smile is telling me that you are telling me the truth.
Thank you, Nai.
Okay,
Thank
so
you very
let
much,
me be going there.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much,
All
sir.
right, bye-bye.
Oh, bye. Bye-bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye.
Yes, bye.
What are you doing here?
I brought food for you.
Hey, Joe, you shouldn't have come now. I'm suffering enough. Do you want to put me in more trouble?
Sister, no. It's just that I've been feeling guilty. Because I know that your suffering today is because of me. Hey, you've been taking the blames. You've been receiving punishments that were even meant for me. Hey, I'm at peace today with my mother. It's all because of you. Nembikono. Eh? Just eat this food. The least I can do is bring food for you to eat.
Joa, if I eat this food, your mother will find out. She'll kill me.
Don't worry. I will tell her that I'm the one that ate it. Just eat the food. I know you're hungry. Don't let my stress to go in vain.
Mama will kill me.
She will not know. Eat.
Water. You got water?
I know.
Thank you. Come on, eat now.
It's me. I'm full already. It's sweet, Abby.
It's very sweet, though.
Mama made it.
Not can cook.
Hey, sister, you try, you know. How are you carrying all these blocks?
Okay. It's not easy. But see, after finishing this food now.
Just eat. I'll take the plates back.
Okay.
Babe, I really need money. I really need money.
How much?
5K.
5K.
Yeah.
Hey, babe, you can afford it now. What is 5K?
No, now, babe, I did some job. They have not paid me yet. So I'm kind of
broke for 5K. You're a big boy, baby. Stop, John. Why do you want to form my hand?
Babe, no, I'm serious. Seriously, if I don't pay that guy, the next embarrassment will be bloody. Babe, I know.
So don't do it to do now.
Babe, no, just find a way to raise it for
me. Raise 5K for you. From where? You know I'm not working now.
The guy will next embarrassment. You have given like 500 pieces for this private girl.
Can you carry? Are you sure you can carry? Please don't.
Good evening.
Oh, how'd you go? Kadu?
Oh, the mask. Gara here. Oh, thank God I met you here.
Can I mean? God forbid, though. What are you saying? That you saw my daughter with a man kissing?
I don't have water in my mouth.
Biojugo, are you sure it was my daughter you saw? Or my stupid stepdaughter?
It's not Ngozika.
I
know who I saw.
Ewa.
Caution your daughter. Caution her before she brings unwanted pregnancy to you.
Fear! Clean your mouth. You did not say so. Biko. Stop using such language to describe my daughter again. I'll try one again. Don't try it, or you go. Before they will say now Kamaka has insulted somebody. Biko Pachal Kwanya. Listen.
You know what I'm saying. And you know it's very, very possible if you don't contain her affairs with men.
If somebody hears you now, the person will think my daughter is a prostitute. You don't keep her affairs with men. Okay, they do.
Ukamaka, I don't have strength to. Bikokwa. Let's stop this whole drama. Let's stop arguing. Remember, tomorrow is our women's meeting. Endeavor to be there. Okay? Bye-bye.
Cheerful. Yes, tomorrow is women's meeting. Jealousy. Because you don't have a daughter of your own. If you go and chapo get us alibagi bieno. Of course, one we have suwogi. Nonsense. Okay, no wire. Nonsense. I'm taking it up with
Obi. I'm fine. How are you? See your mouth. How did you go?
I'm just asking.
Okay, fine. This is the money. But I took it from under my mother's pillow. I stole it from my mother's pillow. I think it should be more than what you asked for.
Babe, I asked for 5K. This is more than 5K. This is about 8K.
8K. Yeah.
Oh, you're a darling. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. I love you.
I love
so,
you more. Yeah.
please, make sure you give it to the person you're owing.
I will.
I don't want anything to happen to you.
No, it won't happen. No, you so. Don't even say anything. My God. Are you?
It's
I love
okay.
you. I swear to God, I love you. I love you so
too.
much. Seriously, this is the reason I tell people you need to have a girl like my girl.
Oh.
Yes, I always tell people like if you know the kind of girlfriend I have, man, you're an angel. Seriously, you're an angel.
I told you it will work. It will work. You don't know these girls. They have money. They have money, oh.
You said it. Edu, you are a gem.
See, when it comes to the ladies, leave it for Edu. Now maybe Edu for the girls. Edu, why?
You calm down.
I have dealt with a lot of ladies. Let me tell you, it's supposed to be the ladies giving us money, not the other way around. The ladies have dealt with the men. This is our time to get the money back.
I asked for 5K. This girl gave me more than 5K.
Okay? That what you gave is just a talk. She will give you more.
Calm down. You if I follow your mouth, I'm going to steal from my mother. Calm down. You
keep
calm down.
asking your girlfriend for money.
Calm down. God, let me take you out. Can take you get out.
Take me out.
I didn't tell you now. Come on.
Have you settled Arize? Have you given Arize his money?
Who be Arize?
The debt you are owing now. You don't owe Arize money.
Is that the name of a place? Animal place? Nah, I can carry Arize. Settle, we settle. You go carry part-time. Guy,
you are playing with fire.
Are you eating or not? Are you going out or not?
It's not like I don't want to drink.
It's not like when I be there. You to follow me. Let's go.
It's not like I don't want to drink.
Go.
How will I say I want drink?
Go back. I just don't want drink.
How will I say I want drink? But I go still drink.
Come move.
You better settle Arize.
Ngozi. Negugu. Ogini ki na abu mu. So it has gotten to this level that you go to my pot and you will even use the plate I use in eating.
No.
Dish food and start eating.
No, that wasn't how it happened though.
Ezuku, how did it happen?
When I came back, I was very, very hungry. Uju was around. She saw that I was very hungry.
Yeah.
So she brought out this food in this pot, this remaining small food, and she gave me to eat.
Is this what you're calling small food? Mom, she gave you to eat?
Yes, Mama.
As what? The person who cooked the food or the owner of the house, because you're eating in the plate of the owner?
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
The only person you should be sorry for is yourself. Because, you will not eat anything in this house for 1 week.
Hey!
Kolo?
Mama, 1 week is too much now. I'm going to disappear.
Disappear?
Let me just go and keep it.
Come on, keep what? When you have already finished eating it. No, Lichagonia. Okwagi? Ewu? Oti kwanyano? Look at this girl. Come and eat again, let me see. Agu eburogi, let me see. See food that I kept for my dog. My dog and my goats. He's sure to go near. Oh, there's no point. She did not even eat only rice. In my plate.
Mama, please now, please. You know I'm your only beloved daughter.
I don't care. I don't care. Give me my money. Give me my money. The money I kept under my pillow. You're the only one that has access to my room. So, Biko, give me my money now.
Mama, not with your money. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, you're still lying. You're lying, Okuya.
Mama, wait first. I'll confess. Just wait first.
Start your confession.
The truth is that
I took the money. That I stole it.
He said,
The truth is that I'm the thief.
Of course, you know I will not believe that.
Oh, Mama, you just don't know me very well.
Kokwana.
Please don't it. But Mama, it was for a reason, no. I broke Mama Chinaya's 2 crates of egg, and I didn't have any money on me to pay back, so I stole the money to pay my debts.
You were the one who stole my money, and you were hiding there watching me. I almost killed my own child. Eh? You stole my money up here, and you have spent it. That's no problem. I want you to choose how you want to die.
Hey!
Meanwhile, I'll be waiting for you inside. Okay? There's no problem. Please.
But you didn't do it now. Eh?
I know, but I was watching. I couldn't just stay there and do nothing. She was going to hit you with that pistol.
But she won't kill me now. My child, she won't kill me.
Where did you steal the money? Now, where did you steal the money?
So what are we going to do now?
What are we going to do? I don't know. I don't know. She's going to kill me.
Hey! Get out! Get out! Get out! Mama, it has not gotten to this now. It has not gotten. It will get to me. You think Papa give him go say call?
All I do every day is just to make you happy. All I think every day is about your well-being.
Mama, it's not fair. It's not fair. You know I was the one that stole your money and not her.
What are you trying to do? Defend her?
I'm not defending her, Mama. You know, what will people say? It's not fair. What do you think people will say?
Let them talk. If you do good, they will talk. You do bad, they will talk. Let them talk. Nakwanya, don't be very careful. Be careful.
Mama, I'm going to bring her back to this house and you will not stop me. You will not stop me. I'm going to bring her back.
Hey. Try it. Bring her back here. If he me, he are mad than Benabo. Ofubo, okay? If I leave you, Manama broke Amaka, your mother. Nonsense. Go and bring her back.
My daughter, my very beautiful daughter, please listen to what I'm about to tell you. It is obvious that my wife, your stepmother, is not happy that you are still staying with me in this house. I know that a lot of things has gone wrong, but I beg you, please, my daughter Ngozi, do not fight them back. Always love them as your blood family. I know one day for sure they will love you and accept you as their own blood family. I hope you understood what I said.
Yes.
My heart is in
Go. Thank God. Well, I've been looking for you. Oh yeah, come, let's go.
Ujunwa, please just go home, okay? I don't want to see you. Go home.
Manane, you shouldn't have accepted the fall. Yes, what you did was totally uncalled for. Honestly.
Wow. This is what you have to say to me. So I should have just stayed there and done nothing. Watch Mama call you a thief. Okay?
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
What did you even do with the money? Eh?
I gave the money to my boyfriend. I gave it to him so that he can solve some pressing issues.
Hey, Ju. You mean I'm going through this because of that good-for-nothing boy? Eh?
Bam, please. This one now, I will not take it. Okay? I can't watch you stand there and insult my boyfriend. I don't like it.
But that boy is a vagabond. Why do you keep letting him deceive you? Can't you see?
Ngozi, stop! You're beginning to piss me off right now and I don't like it. Hey. Yes, we are sisters, bonded by the same father. You're supposed to have my interest at heart, support me in everything I do. I don't even know why you don't even like Ebuka, just for no reason.
Well, I am sorry, dear sister. I do not like him. I don't see anything good in that boy.
Are you going with me or not?
Have your mother permitted me to come back home?
Really? Suit yourself then.
Well, bye-bye.
Bye.
Uju? Uju, wait!
Mbano Kamaka, Idaya, you failed. You have no right to chase her out of this house, honestly.
Ned, it's like you didn't hear what I said. She stole from me.
And so what?
Akokwana.
It is not enough reason for you to send her packing out of her father's house. Remember, this is her father's house and she remains here until she gets married.
I cannot harbor a thief in this house. Never.
If that is the case, be ready to have a meeting with Ewo.
Ibobo?
Yes. If he finds out, believe me, he will find you for that. I'm pleading with you, Kamaka. Please look for a way and bring that girl back to this house. To avoid issues with Iwe. Please now. You know what I'm talking about.
Hey, stop there. Okay. Her Excellency, I should greet you.
No.
I should greet you.
Good afternoon, Mama.
The only reason I brought you back to this house is because I don't want to have issues with the Igwe. If not, you will die and your corpse will get rotten inside. Hold your ears. Come on, hold your ears, Onekwenisi. Hold them well. As long as you are in this house, you will not eat my food. You will not drink my water. You will not use anything that belongs to me. I hope you're hearing me. You're listening, Abby?
Yes, Mama.
And from today, your name has changed to Oyo. you are on your own. You heard me? Good. Another thing. Very important. Don't greet me again here. Your greeting nauseates me. Keep your greeting to yourself. Did you hear me?
Okay, Mama.
Did you hear me?
Yes, Mama.
Don't forget, oh, don't make any mistake.
Yes, Mama.
You try to call him now.
Thank you, Mama.
Don't cry now, don't worry. Stop crying. I promise I'll make her change her mind. Okay, it won't be as difficult as you're seeing it now. Stop crying.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you for the sacrifice. Oh,
so long I'm here, it's fine.
yes, Pastor.
Stop that. Are you mad? Something wrong with your head?
Is something wrong with your head? Is that why you slapped me? Is something wrong with your head?
I think there's something definitely wrong with you. You just go about touching women. What is wrong with you? Eh?
Is that why you slapped me?
Yes.
Look at somebody that I'm even trying to help.
Eh?
I'm trying to help you.
Me?
I would have dumped your sister and married you. Hey,
Ebuka. So this is what you do. This is what you go about this village, deceiving young girls that you will marry them, okay?
Ebuka, big boy.
I don't even have anything to say to you. It's my sister that I blame. That you want to marry yourself.
Come on, cut
Have
out.
you fed yourself?
Cut away,
Nah,
you
sorry,
man.
nah.
Cut away.
God bless you, man.
Cut away.
The next time you touch me again, I'll put my hand to your eyes.
Come on, get away.
Look to deceive them. Maybe I tell that in issue.
Look at this one.
You are old, though.
You
If
big
they die, you will
you
save
are the
you.
one who is old. See, I was even trying to help you. You are getting old.
Try and touch me next time.
Look at her.
Idiot.
Mangala, goat.
Cut
away. Cut out.
So you mean my boyfriend has been making passes at you? Would you not once, not twice, multiple times? And you're just telling me? Really? Understand me. Understand what? I didn't want to make you angry. I am very disappointed. Yes, you should have at least kept it to yourself now, because right now I am angry.
Come now. You wait first now. Wait, let me. You know I will never want to intentionally make you angry. Would you? Now.
You did the right thing by bringing her back up. Hi. That was a very difficult thing for me to do. It's you. Yes. It's still the right thing. It's the right decision. All you should be thinking of is how to get her a suitor. Yes, they will ask her how to marriage. After that, she will no longer be part of your life. Hey! I cannot wait. It's the right thing to do. That's the right thing to do. So, then, do you know of any man who is looking for a wife? I say about a bit of so. Oh, come on. Take it easy now. Only a while. When the time comes, she'll go. Okay. Stay a couple minutes.
How dare you? How dare you make passes at my sister?
Me?
Yes.
Me, Ebuka? Where did you get that from?
What is wrong with you? How can you be this terrible? I thought you loved me.
I'm not getting the whole thing. Where are you getting those information from? That's what I'm
My
saying.
sister confessed to me. She told me you've been making advances at her for a long time now.
Oh, babe, you slapped me for an information you've not confirmed. Your sister just lied against me and you slapped me for such.
My sister cannot lie to me and I believe her.
Wait, babe, you don't believe me, right? Me, Ebuka? Babe, like seriously, is that why you slapped me?
What are you saying? No, what's the meaning of this one now? Are you pretending or what?
What do you mean, babe? I've not even... Okay, let me just open up to you, babe. As a matter of fact, your sister has been the one making advances on... And I just thought there's no need for me to create issues between two sisters. Kai, Ebuka, God, what? I'm telling you, if you want me to swear, I'll swear with anything. I've not even... Me, Ebuka, your sister. That she's more beautiful than you or what? Come on, babe. Seriously, is that why you slapped me?
Ngozi!
I'm here.
Ngozi, how dare you lie to me?
Lie to you?
How dare you? You're such a betrayer.
Hey!
So this has been your plan all along? Huh? To rob me of my man, right?
Juma, what are you saying? I don't understand.
Look at me thinking that you are my blood. Thinking that you are an angel. My mother saw through you. She saw through this pretentious, innocent face.
Me?
Yes!
Ah.
I regret ever trusting you.
Juma, how can you say something like this to me? After all I have done for you, this is what you say to me?
What have you done? What? You took blames that I never solicited for? Huh? Did I ask you to take those blames for me? Did I?
Do not speak to me like that. Do not speak to me like that.
Oh, please. Stop those crocodile tears. Those deceitful tears don't even touch me anymore. Ibura is the bomb, madam, honestly speaking. And I hate you right now. Listen, let me tell you something. Don't you ever come close to me again henceforth. You hear me? Don't you ever come close to me again. Witch.
Would you?
Wolf in sheep clothing.
Would you compensate us? What did I do? Wolf in sheep clothing. Me, Ngozi. Papa, this is your fault. This is all your fault, Papa.
It's just to make you happy. All I think every day is about your well-being. Marapa no chumo kokomana. In return, you reward me with wickedness.
Nemuko. Nim, I've come to you as a helpless and motherless child. Nim, I was 8 years old when I lost my mother. My father held my hands and brought me to you. He introduced me as his daughter. And ever since that day, I have loved you and seen you as my only mother. But you, on the other hand, you've hated and despised me so much. You have refused to accept me as your daughter. Maybe it's about something that transpired in the past. Maybe my mother or my late father offended you. Maybe it's me. Maybe I keep doing something wrong and I am not aware of it. Whatever it is, please. I have come to ask you to please find a place in your heart and forgive this child of yours. Just forgive me and accept me in your life, please. I'm begging you. I love you so much.
Is this what you have come to tell me? Eh?
Baby Kono.
Baby column history. Ah, Koseka. My husband deceived me. He deceived me into believing I was his first love. I never knew he had already impregnated his classmate. 8 years after, when she died, he stupidly brought you to me. Telling me the truth. And that day I swore that nothing will ever make me like you. That as long as I live, you will never have peace.
But this is not any fault of mine. I never asked to be brought to this house.
But he brought you. He brought you because traditionally, you were supposed to be raised here. I've told you my mind. Nothing will ever make me see you as my child because you are not. Biko, don't spoil my day. Just let me enjoy my small mangoes in peace, Biko.
Please, I beg you.
What is my crime? What did I do wrong?
No, I missed you a lot, though.
I missed you too.
You know I love you, though.
And I love you too.
You sure? Come on, give me. I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
Ebuka! Ebuka, what are you doing?
Oh, babe, this is my girlfriend. Okay, babe, this is Gineka, my present girlfriend. And this was, yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
Ebuka, I caught you with a girl and this is what you say to me?
I don't get it. You think I've been stupid or been blind all this while? You think I don't know that you have more than 2 boyfriends? Oh God, Ebuka, you actually think I'm stupid, right?
I don't understand.
What is it you don't understand? Oh, Jesus. You're pretending now that you don't know that I know that you know that I know that you know that you have more than 1 boyfriend. So now I should... I beg, see...
How dare you? Are you stupid? How dare you?
You slapped me.
And I'll slap you again.
I swear to God, if not for one thing, me, Ebuka, I would have bundled you out here without... Try it again. Babe, wait.
No, calm down.
If not for one thing, I swear to God, I would have slapped the hell out of you. Are you okay? Ebuka, I've suffered. Slapping me for what? Think I don't know all the things you've been doing? Think I'm stupid? This tears is not easy today. We started saying tears. Alright, babe, come, let's go. Next time, try and slap me. What I will do to you, If not for one thing, I know why.
You are grateful. You are worth in sheep clothing. You are ungrateful. You are worth in sheep clothing. You are part that cause kept black. I sacrifice all for you, yet you're not satisfied. You made me do all this, yet you're not satisfied. I showed you through love.
Okay, why are you crying now? Who made you cry? What is it?
Ebuka left me.
Hey, I told you. Sorry. It's okay.
I'm sorry. I should have listened to you. I thought you were lying and you were jealous of me.
I would never ever lie to you, Uju. I want what's best for you. But you have to stop crying. You see, God will judge him. As a matter of fact, it's his loss. You're a very beautiful woman. So he has just lost a very beautiful woman. Don't cry, don't mind me.
He slapped me.
Is he?
Omarakanti, he slapped me and told me that I am not good for him.
Chelukwao, Ebuka raised his hands and he landed on your cheek.
Yes.
He slapped you. Don't, just clear your eyes. I'll be right back. Okay. He slapped you. Okay.
I sacrifice all for you, yet you're not satisfied. I took blames for your sake, yet you're not satisfied. I carried your cross.
What? What's this one? Let me see what's this now? I can't stand. If I stand up here,
What? You will not do anything.
if people can stand up here, I'll kill somebody. I'll kill somebody. One, I'll count three. One.
Nonsense. He thinks he's the only one that is mad. Next time you lay your hand on my sister, I will remove his teeth. Idiot. Don't mind him. What is it again?
Sister, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you. Please, Barum, Biko.
Hey, would you stand up? Stand up. How can you be kneeling for your own sister? Who am I that you are kneeling down for?
I know I really hurt you. I don't deserve to be called your sister.
You deserve to be called my sister and more. You are my beloved sister. And I love you so much.
Does that mean you've forgiven me?
Of course, yes. I have forgiven you. Come here. You know when you were angry, I knew you said those hurtful words out of anger and you didn't mean them. I forgive you. Oh,
thank you.
My baby.
Did you beat him?
Ah!
Hi, welcome to my house. Now, welcome. Oh. Hey, no. Ned, no. Oh.
Thank you.
Ngozi.
Mama.
Wetaji.
Oh.
Hey, no, biko. No.
No.
Thank you.
Auntie, she don't want.
She's still.
No, cola. We have cola.
Thank you, ma.
Have a good orgy. But before we cut this cola, I want to introduce this young man I came with.
Okay.
His name is Fred. He's a businessman based in Asaba. He recently lost his father.
Yeah, sorry. No.
He was a business mogul. And he's set to take over his father's business empire as a CEO. So, Fred, meet my bosom friend, Okamaka.
Nice to meet you, ma.
No, welcome.
Yes,
welcome. He's a fine boy.
Always.
No, Oji is biko.
Fred, did you like what you said?
Yes, Auntie, she's perfect.
I know you will like
She's
it.
perfect.
Ned. I can see you have done your homework well.
Don't you trust me?
Oji, oh.
I'm fine. Thank you.
I'll just say you're fine.
Auntie, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ned. Oh. Omakakwa. We're very fine, man.
Thank you very much, ma. Thank you, ma.
No.
So, tell me about yourself. Little things about you, your education.
I lost my father when I was 10 years old.
I'm so sorry. So sorry.
It's okay. Presently, I'm in SS2, secondary school.
That's a good one. Well done. So, do you have any sibling?
Yes, I have a younger sister.
Oh.
Her name is Uju. She's very beautiful. There she is. Uju, your hair is fine.
Good day, beautiful. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
My name is Fred.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Please, you can call me Fred instead of the sir, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Who is he?
He's a friend of mine.
Yeah. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye, Uju. Your sister is actually beautiful.
Yes, she's very beautiful. So tell me, what do you do for a living?
I'm a businessman.
Good day, Auntie. What's going on?
Baby. Oh, that young man is seeking your sister's hand in marriage.
What?
Lekebukwa what? Huh?
It's nothing.
Okay.
Auntie, no.
Go and eat.
Mama, what's going on? Am I still your daughter? Or you now see Ngozi in me?
I don't understand.
How? Okay. I am talking about the young man that came asking for Ngozi's hand in marriage.
Fred.
Yes. Mama, how can you see something good coming into this family and you decided to divert it to somebody else? Don't I deserve something good? Your own daughter.
I still cannot get your point.
Mother, that man came asking for Ngozi's hand in marriage. And you decided to give it to her, that rich man. You decided to give it to Ngozi instead of me. Your only daughter. I thought you wanted the best for me.
Of course. You are my beloved child, and I'll do everything to make you happy. Now, sit down. I just want you to be happy. You see what is going on? Forget it. I've been looking for a way to get rid of that girl, so that we will have our lives to ourselves. So I started telling all my friends, including Ned, to look for any kind of man. Any man, my bricklayer, my carpenter, let them come and marry her off. I didn't know that Ned would bring a man as rich as Fred. But it's okay. Let him marry her, let her go.
Hi. Mama, if not that your name was written in my birth certificate, I would have said you're not my mother. That is, maybe you adopted me. Because I don't understand. Mother, did you see the car that man brought to this house? Did you see the car? Did you see how fresh he is looking? That man oozes of money, Mama. That man, Diego. And you want to give it to Ngozika?
Abianuju, calm down. A better man will come. A richer man will come. A fresher man. A finer man will come for you at the right time. Leave Ngozi to go. Oh? Let her just go. Let her carry her problems and go. Don't worry. Your own will come at the right time. Oh?
Mama, what if he doesn't come?
Hey! How can you be this negative now? When Okukwe, he will come. Your own will come.
No.
Oh?
Mama, Mba. I need to have that man. See, Fred is mine. I need to have him now.
Modi go quality. Because he's coming in few days for Ngozi.
Mama, you will do something about it.
Guinea?
You will do something about it.
There's nothing I can do. I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do. Because let her just go. Let her go.
You are woven ship loading. You are pot that cause kettle black. I sacrifice all for you, yet you're not satisfied.
There you are. Ujunwa, food is ready. Come and eat.
I'm not hungry.
I know. But you've been like this since morning. You can't remain like this. You have to eat food.
Ngozi, please leave me alone. Leave me alone. Go and serve Mama the food. After you're now her favorite daughter. You both of you should just leave me alone. I don't want you people in my life anymore.
Hey, Ujunwa, it is me you are talking to. Your sister. Don't say that. Now it's not fair.
What is not fair is Mama giving you to a man that rightfully belongs to me.
But he came for me.
That's not true. Mama gave him to you. You can't fool me. Mama chose him for you.
You want the man, right?
Yes, I want him.
You know how I always want what's best for you. Anything to make you happy. You can have him.
You will leave him for me?
Of course. Come on, would you?
Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. Whatever makes you happy makes me happy. So tell me, are you going to eat now?
You requested for a meeting.
Yes, barrister. I'm thrilled to inform you that I'm getting married soonest. Wow. Yes.
This really sounds pretty good. I'm really happy for you. You see, it has always been my wish that you take the title of the CEO of your late father's company. Rather than your younger brother, Osita, try to take that position from you simply because you don't have a wife and a child of your own.
Thank you, barrister. Thank you for your support.
Don't mention I'm only doing my job here. You need to hurry up with the marriage ceremony, get your wife pregnant. To further interest you on this, your younger brother has been coming here demanding for his right. And your late father and I both agreed. I told him the will cannot be read until after 5 years, as your father and I have signed. So you need to do all that you needed to do, so you can take the title position of the CEO of your late father's company, simply because you don't have a wife of your own. That's why Osita has been making frantic effort to take this position from you.
I've heard what you said, barrister, and it's already in place. And once again, I want to say thank you, at least for all your support and standing by me. I don't take it for granted.
You're welcome. I'm only doing my job.
Thank you very much.
Same here, my brother.
Mama, I have decided to give up on my chances of marrying Fred and let Ujunwa here marry him instead.
Huh? This is beautiful. I didn't know you were going to say, my daughter.
Mama. You know, but Mama, this will only happen if you permit it.
I have permitted. I have permitted.
Because I know you want me to marry Fred. But Ujunwa here said she wants him, so let her have him.
Chai, you tried. Eh? Hey, I never expected you to say this. I've been thinking of how to present this thing to you.
Don't take again.
Thank you very much. You're happy now?
Yes, Mama, I'm happy. My sister is the best sister in the whole world.
She is.
Mama, the biggest problem you have now is, what are we going to tell Fred when he comes?
It's very easy now. Make yourself unavailable. If he does not see you anymore, he will not have any other option but to settle for your sister.
You're right, Mama.
You gotta go?
You're right.
You're a good girl.
Thank you.
You have done well.
Thank you, Mama.
Chai.
Sister, thank you.
You're lucky to have a kind-hearted sister like Ngozi.
Very lucky. I love you.
Chai.
I love you too.
Chai. Thank you.
Yes, Mama.
Mama? Mama, I don't understand. What do you mean by she left the house?
My dear. You know, I did not tell you much about her. Sometimes she behaves like somebody whose brain is not functioning well. Somebody whose battery has been removed. On a web score.
Mama, please explain to me. I really don't get what you're saying now.
Okay. Like I said, it's her Charayama. She woke up one morning and told me that she's going to her mother's place. Just like that.
Her mother's place? Wait, are you not her mother?
No, I'm her stepmother. You see that one beside you there? She is the only biological child I have. And she's ready to be a better replacement. Nah, it took me time to convince her. You understand? So that you will not be disappointed. Ayoka Mia Biko.
Yeah. You're a very handsome man. It will be a pleasure becoming your wife. And I promise you, I will love you for the rest of my life.
Type.
Auntie, I was actually surprised when she told me Ngozi is no longer living with them.
I was surprised as well.
Oh, I don't just understand. She even offered me her other daughter as an alternative. But the truth is, Ngozi I won't.
I understand. Ujoma is prettier than Ngozi. That's why she's the better option for you.
You think so?
It's what I know, not what I think. Besides, you know why you're getting married to her in the first place.
Auntie, you're right. I guess I would have to begin the whole marriage rites as soon as possible. I knew I could always count on you.
I'll always do it for you. What
it's
else?
Okay, it's okay. My mind is calm now since you are on my side.
Always be.
Alright, no problem. Let's just go. So, as you can see, this is my home board.
Yeah, the place is so fine.
You like it?
Yes, so I love it.
Okay.
You're a big boy. Sit fine house.
It's okay. So, I have to show you all the places.
I'm tired. You're showing me everywhere. This house is like I'm lost inside. You showed me so many places in this house.
Okay, I'm always going to your room. Come on. I know you feel free. Why?
Thank you.
Okay. Come on.
Hi. You're a big boy.
Come here.
Told you you was living in this house alone.
Well, yes. What do you mean?
Now it's a big both of us.
Of course. And our children.
Right?
Exactly.
So stay close. This is it. Hi, Mama. If you see this house, Mama, the house is so beautiful. That is it. The house is like a paradise, so big and fine. Mama, see what you almost made me miss. Eh?
I hope you're giving him food. Good food, though.
He's fine. He's fine. I just finished serving him breakfast now.
The only way to a man's heart is through food. And the other room.
Of course, Mama, we had fun last night.
Mama, I gave him fire to fire in the other room. Don't you trust your daughter again?
I trust you.
Yes, Mama.
Money? Yeah. The one my in-law gave me, that huge money he gave me, I've not even touched it. But if you still want to bring another one, bring. Ngwano, oh, don't forget everything I told you.
Uju! Uju!
Ngwano, oh, bye-bye. Greet my in-law, oh.
Mama, is that Uju one name? How is she doing?
You have started again.
Mama,
what is it? Are you mad? Chimo, did you drink?
Mama, I did not drink. I love you very much.
Call Elise Eba.
Mama, you're very beautiful.
She even touched me with her dirty hand.
Hey, it's true. My hands are dirty. I'll wash them.
Seba, Popiko.
Manaria. Golden woman. Mwah. Mwah.
Allah Papa go this
Mama, I'll see you when I come back.
Yeah, no kui metomaka. Starting when now? I love you. I love you, Gunoni. Love you.
Of the truth, I don't know how to cook.
What?
Yes, I normally assist my sister Ngozi in the kitchen. So she's the one that knows how to cook.
Okay. That's not a problem. At least you opened up and I'll teach you. I know how to cook.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. I feel so ashamed of myself.
No. I mean, there's nothing to feel ashamed about. You could also see millions of videos on YouTube on how to cook local and international dishes. So even when I'm not around, you could try out something.
Yeah.
Okay?
I love you.
I love you too. But this, let's take it out.
Sorry.
It's fine.
So, but you eat the food.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, okay?
So how's your new wife?
Brother, that one is a no-go area. But the one who, you believe that girl cannot cook?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
What's really wrong with girls of nowadays?
You know,
with their parental upbringing. Cannot cook. I hear they claim to be Gen Z.
Gen Z bodies. Oh my God. Look, see, I think you should take me to a good restaurant for me to have a meal. Because I was actually thinking I'll get back home to have something good, but now I need to work.
That's no problem. At least you can inherit it from us.
That is the main thing now, right?
Don't worry, I'll take you to somewhere good so you can have it.
I trust you. I try to see us the one. That is it.
No, I have shop plug for good food.
I trust you.
Hey, Ngozi Ngwano.
No, if I don't have water, I don't eat. I can get choked.
What kept you so long? You Nkwakezi Egozi put ya n'oge.
Just take it easy.
Let me even see the water she brought. Jesus!
What?
I sent her to bring cold water for you. Obute milioku for what?
No, it's
It's what? I sent you to bring cold water. And you brought hot water.
Mama, it's not hot.
If I had wanted him to drink hot water, Melia tea. Eh? What is this now? Oh, what is wrong with you?
What is this now? What's the problem? Why are you pouring water on? Okay, you say the water is hot and you are pouring the water. You want to burn her what? Why are you this wicked now? What's your problem? What has she done wrong?
Why are you shouting at me?
Why wouldn't I shout?
As what?
What did she do wrong?
If somebody hears your voice now the way you're shouting, they will think I'm wicked.
Oh. So you don't know that you are wicked, eh? You don't know?
It's not fair.
It's not fair. It is black.
Bia Okoye, what is your problem? Eh? If you don't like the way I'm treating her, please come and carry her and go.
Exactly, I want to take her away.
Take her away? After all, is she supposed to be living with me?
But what is wrong with you? Why are you this wicked and harsh on this poor girl? Why?
Biko, not on top of the food I gave you.
Which food? This one?
If you don't want to eat, Biko, happy here.
Palm oil. Ordinary palm oil with look at it.
Stop spitting inside now.
I am not going to eat it. Nonsense.
So that I'll be able to eat it.
What is it?
Nonsense. Spitting inside the food. Kamli wonya. Go, Biko.
I don't blame you. Is it not because I came to your place? Idiot.
Nonsense. Non-sackable.
Ngozi.
Uncle.
Look, I've been asking you. As a matter of fact, I've been begging you to come and live with me. Eh? I don't know why you're refusing. You know very well that I can take good care of you. What is she doing for you that I cannot do? Apart from her wickedness. Huh?
Uncle, please. Try to understand. Huh? I have come to take her as my own mother, so I can't leave her.
To fear God. She's not your mother. And she will never be your mother.
Uncle, the thing is...
She's wicked.
Uncle, she's not like that, so. And it's not as if I'm enjoying her wickedness. But I love her so much.
Hey.
You won't understand.
You know that she's wicked. That you love her so much. And you want me to understand. So meaning that you are enjoying her wickedness.
No, not at all, sir. I am not enjoying her wickedness. Only that Uncle, beneath all those wickedness, deep down in her heart, she's a good person. She is. It's just that I'm praying for her, she will change.
Go see. Hey, look, this is your decision, eh? Rethink it, oh. Rethink it. This woman is wicked. There is nothing to enjoy in it. Eh? Please. She will damage you. Anyway, what is your name?
Gozika.
Gozika. What is the meaning in English?
Blessings.
Blessings. I pray to Chi that he brings a man that can wipe away your tears. I can see the tears in you. You are just holding back. Okay? Please.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'm going home.
Okay, sir. Safe journey.
Hey.
I'm fine.
Okay.
You are calling your names. Husband snatch, snatch, and women husband snatch, snatch,
Hello. Yeah. Check your phone. I just sent you 2 million naira. Yeah. So you could get yourself a new phone, change of clothes,
accessories.
2 million naira.
Yeah, 2 million.
Babe, you sent me 2 million naira. Hey! Baby, thank you. Where's my phone? Where is my phone? 2 million. Oh, you're so calm down.
Calm down. I just need to change your phone. See? I just need to change your phone. I've always had a dream of, having a girl child first.
You're so weird. Most men would want a boy.
Well, I'm not most men, but whichever way, I just want to have a child, you understand, so that I can take care of him or her and give them the best life.
I know. I know you can. And I know you will. I mean, take a look at the way you're taking care of me. I love you.
You deserve the very best, my love.
This is your late father's will. And this will or testament can only be read on the event of my first son getting married.
Which is what I've done, barrister. So please, you can go ahead.
Okay, can you just calm down and let the barrister read the damn will?
Wait, I don't understand. Why are you raising your voice at me, though?
I said you should calm down and let the barrister read the fucking will.
What did you just say to me?
Shut the fuck up. Just keep yourself together. I mean, coordinate yourself right here. Else I'm gonna walk you both out of my office. We can't go on with this act of disrespect and disregard for me.
Listen, I know you don't like me, okay? That's why you're using such words on me. But thank God you're not my father. So I will get whatever I deserve from his properties. You can't stop that. Go. So go on.
Barrister, ignore stupid things that are coming out of my youngest brother's mouth. It's obvious he's gone in for my inheritance. Please, you can continue.
Please, I can understand. I just need you both to put yourself together. And allow me read this will, please. We can go on with this act of disrespect and disregard for me.
Is it not so obvious that he bribed the lawyer? I mean, he was bent on making your brother the CEO.
At first I shared the same thought with you. Not until I thoroughly scrutinized the will myself. It was handwritten, and the handwriting I saw on that will was that of my late father.
Did your father hate you that much that he wants your brother to become the CEO?
No, my love.
Then what?
I just think he loved his first son.
But that's so unfair. That's unfair.
Not to worry, my love. If God says I will be CEO, then definitely it will come to pass.
Because you will. Definitely will be. Because when he was supposed to get married, he didn't. So he will regret his actions. Okay? Let me introduce you, okay? You have to do it, okay?
I just can't wait to become the CEO of a Foka construction company.
Don't worry. You will. I can't wait for you to become the CEO. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Babe. Hey, baby. Baby, wake up. Baby, wake up now.
Babe.
Babe, come, let's do it again.
Do it again.
Let's have sex again.
No. We already had 3 rounds already before I slept off. Because let me rest.
Babe, a lot is at stake here. Eh? Baby, can you get pregnant for me? Please?
Baby, I know now. I know. I'll get pregnant, but please take it easy on me.
I am, but look, I will lose my CEO title to my younger brother if I don't get to work.
Your CEO title? I thought your dad willed all that to you already.
Only if I have a child. So please, come, let's get to work, okay? Come.
Baby.
I think it is right this time.
Still negative. I'm not pregnant.
This is really weighing you down. You need to calm down.
Sam, you don't tell me I need to calm down. Eh? Why has God chosen to embarrass me this way?
So, God have not chose to embarrass you. Everything happened in His own time and season. God has made everything fine and beautiful.
This is not beautiful. There's nothing beautiful about this whole situation. I mean, it's the 3rd year in our marriage and still nothing. Nothing.
Have you been to a gynecologist?
I've been to the best gynecologist in the country. And what else do they have to tell me? That I and my wife were in good condition. Still nothing.
Could this be spiritual?
I'm thinking so. I'm really thinking to that point because I have a feeling Ken's hand is in this whole thing. You know, in this is pursuit for this CEO position.
Exactly.
I have a feeling.
Now you can get to the point. Because if his hands are not in this, then he ought to have left the position for the CEO for you.
Exactly.
If he truly respects you and loves you as his elder brother, he should allow it for you.
You just seem not to understand. Eh?
You really need to be careful because this is not getting funny at all. It's not.
What have I done? What have I done to deserve this? Why are my village people treating me like this? They don't want my progress. What have I done?
I think I know who is behind this. I think I know who's doing this.
You know who's doing this? Who?
My brother. I mean, he's the only one that doesn't want me to have the position of the CEO.
Your brother? What have I done to him that will make him hurt me so much like this? What have I done to him?
I don't know. I'm not even sure if he's the one, but it's looking obvious.
have just 2 years. 2 years to have a child or lose everything.
2 years. Yeah, 2 years. God, what is all this? What is all this?
It's okay. It's okay.
Baby, what do we do?
It's okay. Calm down, okay?
Why is everything happening this way? What have we done?
Just calm down. Everything will be fine.
Here is water.
Which water?
I want you to drink water.
Did I ask for water?
You've been worried, you've been pacing up and down, and I'm worried too. Eh? What is the problem? Are you owing somebody money? You can tell me, I will work extra to pay the person. Eh?
So, Ukamaka cannot have a moment of peace in her own house. Eh? What is this now? I'm not test. Just leave me alone. I want to be left alone, please.
I cannot leave you alone. Look at your face. You look worried. Just tell me what the problem is.
Hi! My enemies have finally got me through my daughter, Ujungwa.
Eh? Hey! Mama, is Ujungwa in trouble? Is someone looking for her trouble? Just mention the person's name. Now let me get to the city and deal with that person. How can somebody be looking for my...
Shut up! Bichon. Shut up! What is it? Because they can do me a favor.
Anything.
Go and sit down on that chair and shut up. Let me talk. Go. I want to think. Go and sit down.
Mama, you need to sit down. You've been worried. Eh? You've been worried.
Go and sit down. I will slap you. Go and sit down. Ah.
I thought you said your sister Ngozi ran away from the house.
But she's back.
Ah, good for her. Why are you even telling me about her though?
I'm telling you about her because I want you to take her in as your second wife.
What? Would you? What are you saying?
Baby, it's obvious I can't give you a child. But my sister Ngozi can.
Hey, would you please refrain from such conversations with me? Where's this coming from?
Baby, please try and understand me now. I want you to clinch to that CEO title. I don't want you to lose it because you deserve it. Please, I don't want this whole child issue to stop you from taking what rightfully belongs to you. Don't let your brother take it away, please. Obin, I beg you. Bikono, please.
Even if I want a woman to give me a child, it's definitely not your sister now.
Babe, please, it has to be my sister Ngozi. It has to be her. She's the only one I can trust. Please.
Hey.
I wouldn't let a strange woman come into my home to destroy it. No. It's Ngozi that I want. She'll be the one to give you a child. I trust her. Obin, Bikono, please.
It's okay. Come. Yeah, come. You'll give me a child in due time.
I want you to be a CEO.
I will.
Mama said she has told you everything I've been going through. She did. You won't believe Uju and your sister. I am still unable to have my own child after 3 years of marriage.
What kind of problem is this? Don't worry. God, what kind of thing is this? My sister does not deserve this. You're a very nice person. This shouldn't be happening to you. It should go and happen to someone else, not you.
Amen. But I have to be realistic.
My husband is at the verge of losing his inheritance.
Eh?
Yes. According to his father's will, he has to produce a child before 5 years.
My God.
This is the 3rd year. This is the 3rd year. You just have 2 years left.
You know what? There is nothing God cannot do. You can still give your husband a child. I believe God. God will not put you to shame.
Amen. I believe him too. But as it stands now, my husband is ready to do anything to make sure he doesn't lose his inheritance, including getting a second wife.
Eh?
Yes, since I can't give him a child.
Hey! No, God will not allow it to happen. It's God that gives children now. It's not your fault.
I know, Mana. As it stands now, he is already on it. He is on it. Yeah? We just have 2 years left. 2 years. That is why I came. That is why I am here to plead with you, my lovely sister. One name Biko.
I have. Would you just say the word? Anything at all. I would give my life for you if I have to.
Okay. I want. This is difficult.
Mom, let me help you. Ngo.
Mama.
Nwamo.
Mama.
Isibu nwam.
Mama.
What your sister is trying to say is that it will be a shame and dishonor to her if her husband goes outside and brings in a total stranger as a co-wife. When that woman gives him a child, she will start insulting her. She will start antagonizing her. So she prefers to have someone she calls her blood to be her co-wife. And who else is her blood if not you?
Me? Yes, my lovely sister. Biko, please.
No,
help me.
No.
Marry my husband and give him a child, please.
No. I can't do that. Mama, this is wrong. This is going to be disrespectful and it will be a dishonor to you, my sister. I cannot.
No, it won't. I will be very comfortable knowing that it is my blood that is doing this for me and not some stranger that will take over my home. Please.
Ngo. You know I have never begged you for any favor before. Do this for me. A singular favor.
Mama, please don't cry now. No, I can't stand you too. I can't stand your tears, Mama.
Do you want me to kneel down? I can't kneel down.
Actually, we can.
Mama, please.
Biko, Mama. Biko. So that people will not start laughing at us.
Don't cry. I cannot stand you to cry. Please don't cry for me.
And what did she say?
She accepted.
Oh.
She loves me so much. She can do anything for me. She don't look happy.
You should know that it will never be my intention to marry 2 wives.
I know, but it's not your fault. Okay? Life happened. It won't be easy for me too. But I just want the best for you. I just want you to be happy. Isn't that what you want?
You would always be my first and only wife. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. You're welcome to our house, yes? Please sit.
Thank you, sir.
And enough of the stuff, okay? My name is Frank.
Mbao. Baby. No, I'm very comfortable with this, sir.
Me, I'm comfortable with calling you sir. Oh.
It's alright, no problem then. My love, I would quickly go in and freshen up, okay?
Baby, not without your new wife now. Take her upstairs, get things rolling already.
But she's just coming in, she has to settle in at least.
Settle her in your room. Take her to go and settle her in. Sis, you have my permission. Follow him. Follow him and go and freshen up in the room. He will take you to go and freshen up. Just promise me that you will not disappoint me.
No, Mbano, I won't.
Are you sure? Okay, I trust him. Mbano, stand up.
Shall we?
I hope you like the place.
I know.
I know. Okay.
You know, you're so sweet.
Thank you.
And it's surprising. You're still a virgin. I mean, unlike your sister.
Well, I decided to remain celibate until I get married. Besides, virginity is not a yardstick to judge a virtuous woman, is it?
Well, you're right.
Can I go now? Are you done? So that I can leave the room for my sister.
You know, you're such a sweet soul. And hey, look, I promise you, I would always treat you right, okay? I would never treat you as a bad wife. Trust me. And may anything happen to me if I do otherwise.
Please don't swear. I trust you. I believe you.
Go.
Ukamaka,
Okoye.
what came over you? No, really, what's your problem? How could you approve of two sisters getting married to the same man? How?
Who told you they got married? Huh? No. Who said she married him? Who? She just went there to rescue her sister from marriage crisis.
I see. Marriage crisis. So she's a rescuer. I mean, what is wrong with you? Why are you this wicked? Yes, now. And I heard that you organized some elders and collected her bride price.
And no what? Before? No. Before? Was I not the one that took care of her when her parents died? So I deserve her bride price.
And you forget that that is an abomination, right? You are making a deal to the gods. It's all right. Look, I don't care. Whatever you took from that man, I don't care. You will return my niece in peace as she was. I mean, what is wrong with you? What has she done to you that you've decided to wreck her life?
Which one is wrecking again? Okay, why are you just jealous and bitter?
I'm not jealous.
Yes! Did I not give that child to you when her parents died? You rejected her.
No point of correction. I wanted to take her. She refused. She chose you over me.
Are we not saying the same thing? Whether you rejected her or she chose me, are we not saying the same thing? I raised her. Therefore, I should collect her bride price.
It's all right. Continue to arrogate powers to yourself. I am going to meet my kinsmen. You are going to pay for all this nonsense you're doing.
Just what?
Chelu, hold on.
Hold on for
Let
what?
me-
Hold on for what?
Let me give you transport fare. Go be no say so.
you have
Oh,
suffered.
can you
Okoye,
get
you
go?
suffered. Okoye, you suffered.
You this wretched woman, you want to give me transport? Oh, it's all right. We shall see. All right.
Because Jebe, we cannot see anything. What are we seeing? Then, lele. Happy one day, happy you. Come and collect bride price. You want to reap where you did not sow. Can no one each other around?
You are wolf in sheep clothing. You are grateful. You are wolf in sheep clothing. You are pot that cause kettle black. I said.
We went to the hospital and we discovered that she's pregnant.
What? She's Guinea?
She's pregnant.
Hey! God! You are good! Hey! Where is she?
I guess she should be in her room.
Hey! My enemies have been put to shame. I have a very big God, hey, who is always by my side. A very big God. Hey! Chai! Hello. What is it now? You're not looking happy.
Why should I be happy? You think I want this? What have I done to God that he has decided to make me barren? Why has he chosen to make me barren? What is my offense?
My love, hey, you're not barren. You're my wife. Okay? You're not just my wife, you're my first wife. And nothing is gonna change that. Look, this is what we've always been praying for. A child. Right now, my inheritance is secure. Okay, my love. I need you to be happy for us. Hey. Look, you're my wife, eh? My first wife. And nothing and nobody's gonna take your place. Come. Be happy for me now. Let me quickly check on her, okay? Nice wife. My beautiful wife. I'll be very back. Wonderful God. You know, I'm so overjoyed right now. Look, see this pregnancy? You don't know what it has done for me. Not only claiming my inheritance, but also making me a father. Look, tell me anything you want, I will do. Anything.
My darling husband, I want nothing from you other than your love, of course, and support. And one more thing. Promise me you would always love my sister, no matter what.
Yeah, okay. I promise. You have no troubles with that at all. Okay?
Okay.
I thank you.
Well, we thank God, the owner of the universe.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do.
Okay.
You're gonna get dressed. I'm gonna take you out and do your little shopping. Okay?
Me?
Yes, I'll be waiting for you.
Okay.
Okay. A second.
Thank you. Thank you.
The news reaching my desk is that your brother Fred is expecting a child, your elder brother.
What nonsense are you talking about, Barrister? What child?
Well, he took another wife who is expected to give me a child. So, hey, you should be happy for your brother, right?
Don't you talk to me about happiness. Don't! This has been your plan all this while. Now you've succeeded.
What?
Yes, you've succeeded. I guess you're happy now. Because I'm not happy.
You should be happy, brother. Hello. How you doing, baby brother? What did I miss?
Well, I was just sharing the good news right here with your baby brother.
Thank you so much, Barrister. Thank you so much. I mean, how did you feel? You should be happy for me, brother. Isn't that great? I should be a father very soon. What is wrong with him? Congrats. Thank you very much, Barrister. Come in. You're back.
Thank you. Okay.
Sis, you know, I wanted to tell you.
How dare you? How dare you call my husband without my permission? Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Get out! Get out!
Can you put some of that? Why did you have to school that on me?
I said now!
Uju, what is wrong with you? No, I mean, what is all this?
Listen, you have no right to take her out for anything.
Why are you sounding like this? I thought you were cool with me getting married to her in the first place. So why all this?
Yes, I was cool with you getting married to her and not for her to make unnecessary demands from you.
She didn't make any demands. I mean, I was the one that took her out. She didn't even ask me for anything. Where's all this coming from?
Listen, Fred, that girl came here for a purpose, okay? Allow her to do her job so she can get out, all right? You can't be getting her gifts without my permission.
Uju, do you realize you're being unnecessarily rigid?
Really?
No, do you realize you're being unnecessarily mean? That girl is carrying my child in her womb. The least I can do is even to show her care and love. You know what? I'm not ready for this. Excuse me.
Really? Fred, really? Hey! This demon has taken... This girl wants to take my husband from me. Hey!
I've always told you that that girl is up to nothing good. She doesn't like you, but she will always pretend to. I knew it. That was why I asked you if you were sure she's the one that will give your husband a child. He said, here. I know. It's okay. Now stop crying. Stop crying. Just listen to me. I'm just this quiet because she's pregnant too. After delivery, Inatianwa and kick her out of that house. You're too soft, Biko. Let her know you are my daughter. We are not soft people. You heard what I said. Chop her after giving birth. Where is that idiot now, sir? Okay. After delivery, kick her out of that house. Mokunya. Okay. Oh, Wano. Oh. Stop crying. Wanza. Okay.
Ngozika.
I'm coming.
Ha. Oh.
One name more. I'm sorry.
Ordinary to make oath for me. Eh? It's taking you so long. Why?
I'm sorry. It's the gas.
The gas what? Listen, if you don't know how to use a gas, you tell me. I can easily get firewood for you to cook outside.
Sorry.
No. What do you think you're doing? You want to sit on my expensive chair? Do you know how much is what?
The thing is that...
Sin is what?
I have been having cramps lately, so I get tired easily.
You've been having cramps lately. Have you washed the clothes I asked you to wash?
That is. I'm going to get to that point. The tiredness is affecting me.
Because you've not washed the clothes. Are you here to relax? Listen, I do not tolerate any form of laziness. As a matter of fact, I detest lazy people. Okay? So you are not here to relax and eat my food. I can see you're becoming too comfortable in this house. I think I'm beginning to overfeed you. Yes. Because why all this laziness?
You please.
Don't please me anything. Get to work. You're not here to relax.
It's just that you're becoming too harsh on me. Did I do something wrong? I'm sorry.
You know what? Ngozi, get out.
It's the harshness that's...
Ngozi, get out!
Okay. Hey. Sorry.
Hey. Lazy fool. Can you imagine? Telling me about cramps, tiredness. Did I bring you here to eat my food and sleep? Lazy fool. Just to make oats. Then if I tell you to make rice for me, then you take 3 years now. Silly girl. What is this one? Eh? Ordinary oats, this girl cannot even do. Cramps, knee, cramps, score. What is this one safe? Eh? Simple oats, and the face is looking like this. It's not bad. What is she doing? Meaning what? What kind of insult is this one? How will you bring this girl here to eat with me?
I don't understand. It's called a meal. A man should have it with his family.
Are you out of your mind?
Please.
Are you okay?
Please, let me just leave you people and go. Oh? Okay.
Sit down and eat. Sit.
Sense. Stay here and watch me insult me this way.
Sir, please, can I go?
Why?
I can't eat without my sister. She's very angry and I've lost my appetite. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You are grateful. You are worth in sheep loading. You are grateful. You are worth in sheep loading.
Doctor, I've been having symptoms of malaria for the past 2 days now. I haven't been able to sleep at night.
Well, with the results in my hand here, you are not having malaria.
Doctor, if I'm not having malaria, what then is the issue?
Congratulations, you are pregnant.
What?
You are pregnant. It's cause for celebration, you know. Your prayers have been answered.
Well, you should know managing 2 wives is not an easy thing. Polygamy is a business.
It is indeed, my brother. It's more than terrible. Coupled with the fact that the ladies in question are supposed to be sisters.
That is why it's more confusing, my friend. Because I was thinking it would be easier knowing they were sisters. I must say that there is nothing good, there's nothing to write home about polygamy. Polygamy is fucked, man.
Yeah, but the truth is, you know why I did it.
Dude, I'm not blaming you, darling. I'm not blaming you.
You know, the thought of my hair science is actually the fountain of solace for me. My wife.
Because
yeah, hello? I don't know. I think I have to leave.
Everything okay?
No, she just told me to come home. You're pregnant.
Mm-hmm. That is what the doctor said.
Hey, you're pregnant?
Yes, baby.
Oh my God, come here! Wait, how long are you?
I think about a month or 2. I can't remember.
Oh, look at you! This is good news.
Yes.
Oh, I told you.
I'm so happy. Thank God. Hold it there. I'm happy for you. I thank God. Baby, you know, I am carrying that which you've so desired.
I know.
I'm going to give you a son, a male child,
Mm-mm.
to make you the true son of your father. Baby, I'm so happy finally. God has decided to. Hey, what are you doing there?
Sitting.
Who asked you to sit? Are you done with what you were doing in the kitchen?
No, I'm just happy.
Up. Happy what? No, we are celebrating. You want to join us and ask what?
Don't worry, don't disturb yourself. Let me just go.
And go get out. Thank God. Father.
You mean the 2 sisters are going to give birth same time?
Yeah. You know, I don't even know why God has decided to put me in such condition. I mean, I don't know.
You sound worried. Well, you should not worry yourself about anything. You got what you wanted.
Boy, I'm not ready to father children from different mothers.
You should have thought about this before going into it.
Yeah, but I never knew my wife was going to give birth early. If not, I would have waited.
All the same, you don't need to worry yourself. Okay? You have to calm down. What you need to do is to live with them in peace and harmony. That's most important. Chill. After all, you'll be having multiple children from different mothers.
That's Father Abraham.
Well, children are heritage from God. You know that.
Hey, Nna, Chukwu Bodogu. Eh? God, I thank you. I thank you. I've always known you will never put me to shame. Ogomo! Ogomo! Sharpshooter cable, congrats! Double congratulations. Hi.
Mama, there's nothing to congratulate me here for. Nothing at all.
I don't understand.
Mama, what don't you understand? Are you not bothered that your daughters are pregnant for the same man?
Why will I be bothered? How does this sharpshooter cable?
Hey.
Eh? I'm not bothered though. Okay. Ngozika is not my daughter. You got to go? She's my stepdaughter. So, I will still give you the double congratulations.
Mama, I'm not having this at all. Mama, it's not going well with me. I can't have both of them in my house. Somebody has to leave.
Eh?
One has to go.
One has to go?
Yes. If possible, leave the child with me and go.
Well, if there's anyone to go, it will be Ngozika. My daughter has come to stay.
It's okay. Since that is what you want, no problem. One has to go. I was thinking I'll be able to handle it, but no. Sad enough, I can't.
Let her go now. But Oga, I was thinking it was going to be a double omugo for me.
Eh?
Yes, now. Mana, since you're not comfortable, let Ngozika come back. Let my daughter stay.
My husband, thank you for not disappointing me. You've just acted like the true son of your father. And I'm proud of you.
Thank you, my love. But you'd have to tell her yourself, okay? If not, I will.
Baby, that's not a problem, okay? I will tell her that once she delivers, she is leaving this house immediately. She has to leave.
My enemies wanted to create chaos and unity in my family. Well, shame on them all.
Shame on them. They have failed completely. Their plans will never prevail.
But I'm worried.
Why?
What if she refuses to give up the child?
Never. Ngozika, that I know. She dares not. Relax, she's a small fry. I know how to handle. She can't even dare me. Just relax. Ha! Why won't she leave? Is she okay? Ha! She knows me, don't worry. Baby, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, my love.
Fine man. Handsome man. Thank you. Obi.
Nanyukoi, please, I have come to apologize for the way I spoke to you the other day. And, secondly, for collecting the bride price of Ngozika in your stead. But I kept it though. I said, let me hold it for you. I'll give it to you. Look, I'm sorry. Very sorry.
Ukamaka,
Sir.
hold your apology to yourself. It holds no water. You should thank your stars that I even allowed you to come to my compound and sit on my chair. Okay? So keep your apology. For your information, my kinsmen and I held a meeting, and we came to the conclusion that Ngozi was never married. So whatever arrangement you have there is illegal. Okay?
Naibiko, calm down. Calm down. We will sort everything out. Oh? Ngozi will come back.
In one piece. Yes, so in one piece. Whoever you gave her to must return her to me the way he took her. Is that understood?
Come.
Okay.
She will come. Like I told you earlier, she went on a rescue mission. In a few months, she will return.
This rescue mission you're talking about, what is it? Is she John Rambo? I don't understand. To rescue who? And you are talking of few months. Months squad. What is it? You are still counting months?
Calm down. But you will be.
Oh.
She'll come. She'll come. I'll bring her back.
Anyway, like I said, she should come back in one piece.
Yes, sir.
Now leave my house. What if when you heard me? Leave my house! Don't thank me. If somebody sees you now, you think that you're a good person.
problem now, eh? Baby is coming, you're not even sure. You think the baby is coming, you're not sure. I'm sure. I'm sure the baby is coming.
So what do you want me to do? Am I a doctor? Am I a doctor?
You're going to take me to the hospital. I need to get to the hospital.
What? Your driver or what? Because I don't have that strength. But I will do you the favor to booking right for you.
Did you say booking right? Would you take me to the hospital?
I said I don't have that strength. Are you there? What's your problem now? You are pregnant and I am pregnant. I'm not even disturbing like you because stop shouting before they think I'm killing you here.
Just help me.
You're disturbing my baby with your noise, Biko. Please. Okay, if we hang up, Biko.
Hey! Babe, guess what?
What?
Guess what now?
Talk, I beg, I don't have strength.
Hey! Ngosika has just given birth to a bouncing baby boy! Hey! Thank you, Jesus.
Really?
Thank you, God. Yes. Both baby and the mother are doing fine. Hey! God, I thank you.
So, Ngozi did not only give birth before me, she equally gave you a son. As if she knows that's what I've been planning to give to you. Ngozi. Always in a competition with me.
Babe, stop all this now. Stop all this. You should be rejoicing with me. I mean, I have a son. My kid brother and his wife will bear their faces in shame. They have daughters. I have a son, Dimpa.
See the way you are happy. Jumping like a frog. You are happy that another woman gave you a child. You are happy that another woman gave you a child instead of your beloved wife. I have always wanted to be the one to make you this happy. But it's unfortunate.
My love, you would still give me another son.
But hers will be the first son.
Forget about all this now. Whoever gives birth first or second or anything, you still remain my wife. Just with me, I don't go Dimpa son. It's life for me now.
Congrats. Ngozi. It's okay. Congratulations. Oh?
This is pure wickedness. Sister, what you stand to gain? I loved you as my mother. I care for you as my sister. I support you.
Okay. You have a son. Congratulations. Oh?
I always stand for you, no matter what you do. Alele Mugabo, Chimo, enough for wife and nafo. Alele Mugabo, Chimo, enough for wife and nafo. Alele Mugabo, Chimo, enough for wife and nafo.
What? What nonsense? Who kept this thing here? Who kept this rubbish here in my couch?
Joanne, you're back. What's the meaning of this? Oh, I went to make his food. So what if I was coming back with a visitor? I went to make his food.
And so what? Is that why you would dump him on my chair? Do you know how expensive this chair is? What if he pees or pooed on the chair?
He's wearing diaper.
And so what? Diaper is a fool? I don't like this nonsense. You don't know how expensive these things are. I don't like it.
You're getting yourself worked up.
You can take this rubbish out of here.
Stop getting angry now. Is your nephew.
Nephew call. Come and take him out of this place.
Stop getting angry now. Stop getting angry. Are you the first woman to have a son? Take it easy. This boy is your nephew. Nephew call.
And so what?
Carry him. Please
take him out. Just imagine the way you sprinkled what I don't know on my chair. Because you have a son. Are you the first? We will not hear word again. Nonsense. Stupid. We will not hear word again because you have a son that nobody has given birth to before. Stupid girl just stressed me now. Used my last strength to talk.
My heart is in
Baby, are you okay? You don't look happy.
Yeah, I'm fine, no. Nothing.
Are you sure?
I don't know. The meal Ngozi cooked. It's as if she didn't prepare it well or equal point.
Really?
Ngozika! Ngozi! So, Ngozi, it has gotten to the point where you no longer make decent meals in this house.
Sorry, I was attending to my baby and then...
Will you shut up? Shut it!
Baby, calm down now. Calm down. Allow her explain herself. Ngozi, what happened?
The baby was crying and had the food on fire. Then I quickly went back to change his diaper. Before I came in...
Can you imagine the nonsense? Can you imagine the nonsense? She's just a baby. Are you the first woman to give birth to a child? What is wrong with you? Using your stupid baby to make excuses.
My baby is not stupid.
Hey! If you go near. Have you seen it? This bastard I brought from the street to come give you a child, she is now talking to me anyhow. She now has the boldness to talk to me anyhow. If you go near.
Oni, calm down, at least.
Don't tell me to calm down!
Listen to her now. Okay, forgive her.
Forgive what? See the way she's insulting me after eating my food with this mouth. This same mouth she's using to eat my food. She's using it to now insult me, talk to me anyhow.
Forgive her.
Forgive what? Listen, if not for one thing now, I'll just... Ow!
Baby.
Ow!
Baby.
Where? The baby coming.
Where?
The baby is coming.
Just breathe. Try to breathe. Open your mouth.
Breathe. She says she'll breathe. Bring my khaki.
My waist. Massage her waist.
Massage waist. Bring her. My khaki. She says she'll breathe. My khaki. Massage.
Fine. The baby is fine. I'm so happy. Lord has done it. And she's just there. It's not easy, I'm still having some small cramps. I'm good, I'm okay. Okay, boy. He was crying, so I said, let me do this. Give it my chance. Now. Give it to me. He was crying.
Want to kill my son for me? Who knows if you're the one making him to cry, sir?
I'm just helping out.
Did I send you? Oh no, Mami, did I send you?
You're breastfeeding him now.
Know your business. Don't touch my son again.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, baby, sorry.
Be careful.
We are going up. Don't. Stop crying. What has this witch done to you? What has it done to my son? Nonsense. Sorry. Look here, don't touch my son again. I am not even joking. Let me be the first and last you will ever touch him. It's your first chance. It's yours.
All I do every day is just to make you happy. All I think every day is about your well-being.
Sis, I ask again. You've not said anything. Do you need me to do anything for you?
No. Ngozi, you know the circumstances that brought you to my house, right?
Yes.
How the enemy delayed me in getting pregnant. But God came through for me. On the other hand, you also did what you came here for, by giving my husband a child. But you see, I can't continue sharing my home with you. You have to leave.
I don't understand. I should go with my child.
Oh, no. The child belongs to my husband, so he stays.
That is unfair. How can you even ask me to leave my child behind? Look, I understand if you no longer need me here. I respect that. But to ask me to leave my child behind, it's impossible. I can't do that.
Wow. Did you just speak to me in that tone? Ngozi, you now talk to me with so much boldness. Huh? You constantly remind me of this one single mistake I made by bringing you to this house.
I am surprised, but I'm sorry if what I said upsets you, but I cannot leave my child behind. It's not going to happen.
Very well then. When my husband comes back, he will explain further. Okay? In case you think that I'm doing this on my own. Until then. Bye.
I sacrifice all for you, yet you're not satisfied. You made me do all this, yet you're not satisfied. I showed you true love.
Son, can my life get any worse than this?
When both women give you a son at some time?
Yes.
You now have 2 sons.
I mean, I want to be happy. I truly want to be happy, but I can't. One of them has to go.
One of them. The kids or your wives? Which of them?
My second wife has to leave. But the truth is, I don't know how easy she's going to take it.
It's not going to be easy, my friend. It's not going to be easy at all. I would advise you to let it slide. Because she will not want to leave a child.
Look, if it's about that, I have a plan for it already.
Really?
Yeah, I have a plan for it already. I just need one wife and my kids with me. That's my kind of life.
If you want to take my advice, I'll tell you to let the both of them stay. What matters is that they're happy here at home. Right? You just have to take it and allow the both to stay. You understand this is not easy for you. Just have to take it easy.
I heard it's both wives giving me son each.
Are you for real?
Yes.
He doesn't know the trouble he has gotten himself into. He will run polygamy and know what it feels like.
So, are you saying that he might regret his decision?
My love, he may have succeeded in being the CEO of your father's company, but bet me, he will regret it. He wants a polygamous home, right? He will weep. He will grind his teeth. He will suffer. For his decision, he will definitely suffer.
It's fine, it's fine. It's just that I'm pained that I lost.
It's okay. Just relax. God will bless you with yours.
Amen.
Amen. But for now, let him go. But I still have faith. Okay? He will still lose. He'll still become the CEO. Have faith.
I'm sure my wife must have told you about my decision.
Your decision? Was that really your decision?
Well, not really my decision, but our decision. You know, before you came into this house, we already agreed that once you come and give us a child, you'd leave.
I wasn't told that.
Well, now you know. And since the child has come back, I think it's time you'd leave.
I see. It's okay. I'll go. But on 2 conditions only.
2 conditions? Which are?
Fred, when you brought me to this house and married me, you met me a virgin. You confessed it with your mouth. So I would only leave if you give me back my virginity, or I live with my child.
Ngozi, I thought you were an easygoing person. Ngozi, look, try and understand me, okay? Having both sisters in this house is not easy for me. It's not my thing, okay? In the next life to come, I know I will choose you. But for now, your sister is my first wife. And I've gotten a child, and you just have to leave. Please, understand me.
Well, Fred, I expect you to understand me too.
You are leaving my house. I am not going. You must leave my house. Ujuma, you are leaving my house. I am not going anywhere. Oh, I am throwing your back to where you. Ujuma, see, I am not going anywhere. You are leaving my house. Ujuma, I am just respecting you. I am respecting you. What will you do? Will you beat me? Ujuma, what will you do? Ujuma, you want me to leave this house, right? Yes. You and your husband should restore my virginity back. Else I am not going. You are mad. You are mad. You are stupid. It is you that is stupid. You are leaving this house. Because you don't try me. See, you are leaving this house. Oh, I am not going anywhere.
Hey, what's going on here now?
Baby.
What's this? What's going on here?
See, tell this stupid girl to leave my house. Give her her baby and let her leave my house.
No, that is not possible. I mean, that is my child. My child can't leave. No, come. What is it? Ngozi, what is it? I've told you to leave now. Okay, tell me, what will it cost you? What will I pay?
Please, sir, with all due respect, this is not about money. I am not going anywhere. If you want me to go, I have told her what needs to be done. You are senseless. You are leaving this house. Let me see you cross this place right now.
Hey, it's fine. You know what? It's fine. You want to stay, you can stay.
Baby, stay where?
Just avoid these problems. Just leave her.
I don't like this thing, no.
It's okay.
Okwagi, don't worry.
Ngozi, what is it, Kwano? Eh? Look, I have no problem with you staying in my house, but I can't handle 2 wives. Look at it now, it's already driving me crazy. I've told you, just leave. Eh? Now look at, see, you're having a fight with your sister already.
Who is ready to eat? My son is ready to eat. Mommy is going to feed you.
The next minute you sleep.
Hey! Is this what you want to feed this baby with? Ngozika?
Well, this is what I can afford. Since you stopped his father from providing for his upkeep, I can't kill myself. This is what I can give him.
Hey!
Ngozika, see the way you're suffering this innocent child. Eh? This innocent boy. All because of stubbornness. Leave the child for me to take care of and get out of this house in peace. I said no. What are you even saying? This is my son. He needs me. And I will stand by him. Yes, by giving him burnt beans. It's what I can afford. Continue suffering. She's a poor child. Hey! Ngozi, you want to give that son? He's not born. He's not born. I'm saying born is my child. Sir! Wait. You want to kill your son with burnt beans? Fred, come and see what they are giving to your son. Stop this. Get out the same back. Look at this. Let me come over and give her all this.
Hey, Okwe is saying that you can handle it. That was why I did not come. Hey, challenging you in your own husband's house. Give that idiot the phone. Let me know the madness that has befallen her. Near phone. Honoria. Chiazonia. See, I am coming to that city by month end. Let her tell me if it is her husband's house or your husband's house. No, I will come. I will come. I will come to the city by month end.
Ngozi, my fine daughter, please, I want you to swear that you will never fight your stepmother and your younger sister. That you will always love them and accept them as your own blood.
Papa,
yes.
I swear and I promise you I will take them as my blood.
Oh, lovely. Thank you, my dear daughter.
Truth is that I am getting tired of all this ups and downs. But then, I love my son and will always stand by him. I will not abandon him for anything, no matter the pressure. I am hopeful that soon all this will come to pass. God, please, take over the situation and save me and my son. Please.
You reward me with wickedness. In return, you reward me with enviness. What is my crime? What did I do wrong? What is my crime?
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm making food for my baby.
Oh, okay. Take that rubbish away and boil water for me to make pap for my baby.
Excuse me, I don't understand. I just said I'm making food for... Okay, you know what? I would finish making this, then I would make your baby's food immediately.
For what? No, as what? In my own kitchen, in my own house. Are you okay?
I don't understand you. Juma, why are you getting angry?
Are you mad?
I just said, let me finish. I'm already making it.
But I should wait for you in my own house, in my own kitchen, to make food for your baby. But if I take that to the fight, please don't touch it. Are you mad? You dare it? Don't touch it. Are you crazy? See, because I'm keeping you quiet. What is wrong with you? So I'm just beat you back now. Because of what? Look, this is my child we are talking about. I'm making food for him and you're about to throw it away. Don't you try this thing next time. Don't try it. Nonsense. Because I'm keeping you quiet. No, it's just worry. Hey! Fred! Fred!
How dare you? Did you lay your hands on your sister, my wife? Answer the question.
Yes, I did.
Why? Why? Eh? Why would you do such a thing?
I'm sorry.
Look, I don't need this in my house. You told me to love your sister, which is what I am doing. And now you're having a fight with her? You're taking away the peace and tranquility in this house. We don't need it. Both of you alone, it's enough trouble for me talking of the fact that you're fighting.
I'm sorry.
Please. Sorry for yourself.
I'm sorry.
Like mother, like daughter, but nothing cry. Malubanu no buruzodi, buzonwa. Be careful with your steps. Don't be faster than the shadow.
So okay?
Why do you call her?
I'm sorry.
I mean, why don't you let that girl go? Let her go. I've already given you a son that will succeed you. I've already given you a son to secure your inheritance. Let her go.
I don't know. I've done everything possible for her to go, but she keeps giving me conditions.
Then let her go. Let her go. I already gave you a son, which means your inheritance is secured. Let her go.
She can't just live with my child now. I paid her bride price, which automatically means the child is mine to keep.
Since she doesn't want you keeping the child, let her go with the child now. Yes, she gave you a son, and I gave you a son too. So what is it? Let her just go and live our lives alone. Please, I need peace in this marriage. Let her leave.
It's okay. I think I know what to do.
Ngozi,
Uncle.
I traveled all the way from the village to this city for just one purpose. And that is to take you back to the village. With me.
The village?
Uh-huh.
Ha.
I can't leave my husband's house.
Husband Kwa? Who are you referring to as your husband? Eh?
Husband.
This one? Huh? Look, he is not your husband. Your wicked, mischievous stepmother here deceived you and married you to this man.
Excuse me, I'm here.
I know. Why are you interrupting me? She married you to this man without my consent, without the consent of my kinsmen.
Uncle, okay, about that. You know, when my husband people wanted to come pay my bride price, my mother here said you traveled. But she went further to meet my other kinsmen and she gave them the bride price. Mama, right?
Okay.
You said?
Your other kinsmen that I'm not aware of. I don't know them. Blatant lie! This woman did not seek the consent of anybody. I've asked all my kinsmen and they said they are not aware. And as such, your marriage to this man is null and void.
So what is now going to happen to me now?
Oh my dear, that is the sad part of the whole story. The fact that you are not married to this man legally means that you are not a wife and your child is not his child. Okay? Now, we are not prepared yet, my kinsmen and I. When we are prepared, this man will understand the gravity of the offense he has committed.
Wait, so this whole thing is fake?
Scam.
Mother, you deceived me.
You? What did I ever do to you? Huh? All I have ever done is take you as my own mother. I have loved you, cared for you, tolerated you. I have done everything as a good child, but you do this to me? Why? Huh? And this is how you pay me back? With wickedness?
Don't insult me.
You know what? I have nothing to say to you. But my God will judge you. My God will punish you. Uncle, I will go get my child and leave here because I have nothing here anymore.
No. You can't possibly take my child.
Will you keep quiet? What child are you talking about? Now, if you don't shut that thing, that gutter you call a mouth, I am going to lay a curse on you, Ibi will germinate from your akpamu right now as we speak.
Wait, what are you saying? I paid a right price. I mean, that child is mine.
If you know you paid a bride price, go and meet whoever this wicked woman took you to and collect your money. As for my niece and her child, I'm going with them right now, this minute. The right time I'm prepared for you. You will see me. Don't worry. I'm coming for you.
Mama.
Mama,
what is it? Go.
In fact, Mama, you see me here. Let me wait for her outside. I don't want to stay in this kind of room.
I sacrifice all for you, yet you're not satisfied. You made me.
Ngozi, hold on now. Please now. You can sort this out.
Uncle!
Ngozi, please. Ngozi, you can talk.
Yet you're not satisfied. You lured me into this year, yet you're not satisfied. I cried and wept for you, yet you're not satisfied.
Oh, please, I'm sorry. Pico, forgive me.
Mama, please, I don't want to hear anything again that comes out of your mouth. Please.
Baby, please now, listen to her. At least we can sort this thing out.
Sort what out? No, we can sort what out? That your mother transpired with people. Connived with fake relatives to collect bride price from me. What are you trying to say? No, tell me, what do we want to sort? Mama, please, I beg you, by the time I'm in and come out, I don't want to see you anywhere around my premises.
Hey, baby, no now.
I don't want to repeat myself.
It hasn't gotten to that.
August.
Honey.
August.
My love. Baby, wait. Baby.
I sacrifice all for you, yet you're not satisfied. You made me do all this.
Ada, stop crying now. Please, stop crying. See, God knows why things are happening. Please.
Uncle, I am suffered. I have suffered so much. I feel so sorry for myself. If I had known, I would have listened to you. I would have listened when you came to take me. I would have followed you. Uncle, all I have ever done for that woman is show her love. I have done everything in my capacity to make her happy, but it never pleases her. Look at what I am going through. Is it fair? Or my hands is clean now.
That is okay now. See, I have very soft eyes, As you are crying now, I'm almost crying too. Please, stop crying before I disgrace myself. Please. See, I can imagine what you went through in the hands of that wicked woman. I told you now. I told you that woman was wicked and mischievous. You didn't believe me.
Oh, goodness.
But it's okay. It's okay. Please. Huh?
Oh, God, the suffering was too much. I've suffered. I've suffered in the hands of those people. I really suffered, though. And God is just in heaven watching me suffer with this child like this.
Oh, it's okay. God.
I'll just leave everything to God. Because it's only God that will fight for me. God will fight for me.
Listen, my daughter. You see, you don't really know how the law of karma works. Sometimes some of these things, you are just shedding off karma. Don't worry. Just take solace in the fact that I am here to take care of you and our son.
Uncle.
Please.
Uncle, it's just one thing. One thing I promised my father when I was 10. He made me swear and promise him that I would always love my family, no matter what.
Yes.
Then I have kept my promise, but they are not making it easy.
No, don't worry. I'm your family now. Am I not loving you back? So, okay, see the beautiful boy that God has given to us. Look at it. It's okay now. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Mama Biko, you have to leave. You have to leave now.
Mama, I have to leave.
Yes.
Wait, oh. Instead of defending me, you're asking me out of your house.
Mama, you've seen how angry you've made my husband. How do I ask you to stay when you've clearly messed things up?
How did I mess anything up? No, tell me. How did I mess things up? Is it my fault?
Mama, it's your fault. It's your fault. You should have involved Uncle, knowing fully well that this will backfire. Why didn't you involve him?
How would I have known that your stupid stepsister wouldn't agree to go? I collected that bride price because I knew the marriage would not last. Did I know that she would even live with the child?
Mama, this one is medicine after death. Like I said before, you have to leave. You have to leave now before my husband comes back. You have already sold your relationship with him. And it will be very difficult for him to forgive you. So Biko, come and start going. I don't want problems. Please.
Mo come and start going.
Biko.
I should come and start going. After everything I did for you. Mo come and start going.
Mama Biko, Mama, please, Mama Biko, please start going. Oh, start going, please. Mama, start going. You're balancing.
Why will I not balance?
Mommy, I don't want problem. You have to start going. My husband said he shouldn't meet you back when he comes back to this house. So you have to start going. Biko, Mama, stand up. Stand up, Biko.
Obianuju, you're asking me out of your house.
It's not my fault, though. It's your fault. It's your fault. You want to spoil my marriage for me? No, you want to destroy my marriage for me. So carry the cross alone and leave. Biko, save my marriage for me.
Wait a minute. You meant to tell me that you paid her bride price to the wrong people?
You were there. I mean, you were there, you saw them. The uncles, the relatives, all controlled by my mother-in-law. Can you imagine? Such level of evil. Wait, do you know that her so-called uncle is not even aware of her wedding?
Excuse me.
He's not aware.
No. That woman is terrific.
The woman is heartless.
That woman is devilish. How can she do such a thing?
God help her. God help her. I don't meet her in the house when I get back. I already told her daughter, I don't want to see her legs in the house. Because as it stands now, I have lost her sister and my son.
You have my support. Whatever you want to do, you need to do that. Look at this This is terrible. This woman is heartless. I have told her, I can never have any relationship with her. See, mother and son-in-law relationship is cancelled. You don't need to.
Hey! Okay, mother, calm down. Calm down, please.
Hey! Oh, Ned, I'm so ashamed of myself. A child I gave birth to, a child I raised and did everything for, just for her to be happy, opened her ungrateful mouth and walked me out of her house.
Hey!
Megolu, everything. I was even willing to give my life for her.
Hey!
Just to please her husband. She said I should walk out of her house.
Hey! Alo, you will be ready to fight for them, even taking bullets because of them, only to destroy you with unnecessary blames.
I have learned the hard way.
God forbid.
My child has taught me a bitter lesson I will not forget in a hurry. Hey, but what the man?
Hey, Ngozi, where is she?
Ned, if I had come back and met Ngozi and that child, I would have adopted 2 of them, sir.
You would have done what?
Adopted them.
Adopted both of them?
Yes. It is better to take a child who has always wanted you as her mother than the one you're killing yourself to love you. Mbano. It is well.
Are you considering taking Ngozi as your daughter?
They're going to late now. It has passed. Her uncle came and took her. Why did you go late? Huh? I wish I did the other time. It's late.
Adam.
Uncle.
Now that you are back here with me in the village, so what do you plan to do?
Uncle, I have thought of a small business to start, an akara business actually. It's a profitable business, something I can do very well.
Why now? Huh? I told you I'll be able to take care of you and your child. You don't need to suffer yourself now. Go and fry akara for what now?
Uncle, I thank you. You have done so much for me, but I can't sit down idle. I need to do something, no matter how small. Make small profit here and there.
Adam.
Uncle.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
You see, what you said now, there's wisdom in it. Huh? Don't worry. I will provide the capital needed for the business.
Hey.
Huh?
Chuku. Uncle, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Is that right, my daughter?
Thank you.
Is that right?
Hey.
Hi.
Oh.
So, where is my grandson?
That one, he has eaten, overfed himself. Now he's sleeping. Hey, speaking of food, Uncle, I made your specialty. Let's go and bring it for you. I'm coming.
Adam.
Uncle,
Adam.
I'm coming. You will love it. Hey.
I'm waiting. I'm actually hungry.
Baby. Babe, for how long will you continue to treat me like this? Why punish me for the sins of my mother?
She made me lose my son. And I would never be happy with her.
I know. I scolded her for it. And I still supported you in sending her away. Why are you still punishing me? Why are you still acting cold towards me? Why?
I'm sorry. I'm not just happy with myself. I'm not.
I know. Don't worry. okay? Just look at it this way. Maybe that's how God wants it. Yes, He wants us to have back that our peace. The peace of mind that we've always had. I'm very sure everything worked out for good. Alright? Don't worry. I'll give you more sons. Okay? Let's just concentrate on us so we can have more children. I'll give you more sons, okay? Maybe. I'll give you more sons, okay? It's okay.
Yes, Ken, I wasn't expecting you in my office.
I know. I'm only here to make some clarifications. Alright? So, having given my brother, Fred, the CEO of my
Point of correction. I did not give to him. It was written in your late father's will, which you saw.
Okay, whatever. I'm here to inform you about the trouble going on in paradise.
So what trouble?
Oh, you haven't heard? Fred didn't tell you? Well, if you must know, I was told one of his wives left with his son.
So why are you bringing this to my notice?
Barrister, polygamy was created to fail, and my brother's marriage is not an exception.
Okay. Well, according to the will, to be a CEO, your brother Fred must be a father. And to be a father, he must be legally married. And which I know he's legally married to his first wife. I may not know about his second wife. And again, to further interest you in all of this, you have totally failed. You know why? You have lost her because you have always wanted what does not belong to you. Look at you, okay? If you could go this far to wish your brother, Fred, this level of misfortune, it shows how evil and monstrous you can be. I only have a piece of advice for you, Kenneth. Change your ways. Change your ways right now, and then every other thing will fall in place for you. You can't go on with this anymore.
So this is what you have to say to me after listening to everything I just told you.
What exactly do you want me to tell you?
Your wife said the baby fell from the bed and landed with his skull, and there was heavy cut that resulted to heavy bleeding, and that caused total brain asphyxiation.
Doctor, I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
Sorry.
What? Let me see those two left leg of yours in this house. trying to keep my child. I'll come and leave this house. I'm eating my food.
Like mother, like daughter, partners in crime. Malubanu no buruzodi, buzonwa. Be careful with your steps. Don't be faster than your shadow. Why do you call her husband snatcher? Snatcher. Alile mugamwa. Husband snatcher. Snatcher. Use a blow. Husband snatcher. Snatcher.
So this is true. When you told me on the phone, I thought you were playing. No. Your husband threw you out of the house. Why? How? By the way, where's my grandson?
It's because of him I'm here. It's because of Chimobi.
What about him?
Something bad happened to him.
What? What happened to him?
He
Talk now, talk to me. Agent suspense, boom. What happened to him?
Chimobi fell down from the bed when I was watching I was washing clothes.
Say that thing again, Biko. Chelo, what? That you were washing clothes. How? You use washing machine. Can you go and get what? Wait, oh. My grandson fell off the bed when you were watching TV. Hey! You a demon. Obianuju, you are evil. The only reason people call me grandmother, the only reason you are still married to your husband is gone. And you had the guts to come here. Obianuju, please, I don't want to talk too much. Just carry your luggage and get out of my compound.
Mama, please.
Get out. I don't want to talk much.
Mama, please. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. Mama,
leave me.
They finally got in me, oh. Mama, Biko Maro, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Just get out of here.
Like mother, like daughter, partners in crime. Malubanu no buruzodi, buzonwa. Be careful.
Fred, you need to pull yourself together. You just have to take it easy, man.
My whole world is crumbling before my eyes. I mean, who did I offend?
I'm going to think of this. He said this woman is the most foolish person I've ever seen. How could she do this? How could she leave a child without putting something to support the child not to fall off the bed? What level of carelessness is that?
Sam, I felt like squeezing life out of her. I mean, what kind of... I still don't understand. Is that not appalling?
You need to do that. Like I said, you just need to pull
Look, I'm sure my brother will get the body here and it's joy for joy. Because it's going to be getting the title of the CEO. It's over.
No, it's not over yet. It's not over yet. You have August right. And she's still with your child.
Sam, why you sound as if you don't know what happened? I've lost my baby as well.
Listen, man. You need to go back to her first. You never can tell. She could have a forgiving heart.
Trust me, I don't think she's ever gonna forgive me. I mean, not after what I did or I said to her. She won't.
Just give her a try first. Give her a try.
Oka akulo. Tell me akoda. Mumonya. Mbuonyo where he me.
What has come over you?
Let her die now. Let her die. She's useless to me.
Bano, these are not done that way. If you stay care, you have yourself to be blamed. You're going too far now.
Ned, do you know what that idiot did to me? Do you have an idea of what she did to my grandson? My pride. The only reason people call me a grandmother.
No matter what she did, it's not enough reason for you to care her. She's still your blood.
Ned, it's obvious you don't have any other thing to say. Please just leave. Leave my house.
Oh, Kamaka, calm down.
I said, calm down. Calm down. If you don't have any other thing to say, you just get out. After all, you're the cause of all these things. If you did not bring that your stupid and ill-lucked nephew, all these ones wouldn't have been happening.
Hey, my nephew has turned to bad luck now. When I brought that young man, did I bring him for you? Is it not your useless daughter that ran into him? She has been a bad luck to this young man, giving him perpetual misery. What is all this?
Ikuchago, Ned, you know me too well. We walk, and when I'm angry, I can do anything. Ned, get out of my house.
I should leave your house.
Leave my house.
Mana, don't worry.
Just get out.
Don't worry, I will go.
Rubbish.
Mana,
Nonsense. Useless woman. Every day you come here and I saw you. Nonsense. Calm down. That's the only thing you can say. Bulu bad luck ubute meba. Kafuku kukina one day woke ebozo. Nonsense. Oh, what is this?
Like mother, like daughter, but nothing right.
What are you doing?
Mama, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, forgive me. You know, if I had the opportunity, I would have given my life.
Why did you not give your life? Why did you not die in his stead? If you had died, I would have endured you. Because I'm tired of having a stupid child. You are just shameless. I regret the day I conceived you.
Mama, you are not any better. You are not. Oh, you think I don't remember how you maltreated father when he was alive? Huh? How you plotted his death simply because he caught you cheating on him.
Are you talking to me like that?
You act like a saint. You act like you're the Holy One. Meanwhile, you are not. You have done more evil than I can ever imagine. All my life, you have never corrected me about my wrongdoings. It has always been Ngozika that has been correcting and standing by me, making sure I be of good behavior because she knows that my mother did not do a good job in training me.
As useless as Ngozeka is, I would choose her 1,000,000 times over you. Because you are just stupid. You're shameless. Just get out of this house. Get out.
I'm not going anywhere. Like mother, like daughter. I'm not going anywhere.
You're going to go and help me.
Mama! Mama! Somebody help me! Mama, Mama, please. Mama, Mama, don't do Mama, please. Mama! Mama! Somebody help me! Mama, I'm sorry. Mama, I'm sorry. Pico, no! I'm sorry, Mama. Don't worry. I'm useless. Mama, Pico, Mama.
Be careful with your steps. Don't be fast.
Mama, Pico, no. Please, Mama. Please, don't die. I need you to stay alive for me, Biko. I cannot live without you, please.
Please. I don't think I'll survive this. I don't think.
Survive it. You will survive this in Jesus' name. I will take you to the hospital and you'll be fine. Please.
Please. I want you to go and see your sister, Ngozeka. Tell her that we are sorry. We are sorry for everything we've done to her.
No, Mama. No, it's okay. It's okay, Mama. We'll go and see Ngozeka together, okay? First, I will take you to the hospital. You will be strong and we'll go and see her together. Pico.
I don't think I'll make it that. Before, go and tell her that I'm sorry. Oh, we are sorry.
Mama, we'll tell her together. You will be strong, and we'll tell her. We'll go and ask for forgiveness, and she will forgive us. Yeah?
I think so.
Mama, why you go?
Ah!
Sorry, Mama. Let me take you to the hospital.
Ah!
Mama, don't. So sorry. Mama, Mama, is that how you want to stay and sleep? Mama, please. Mama! Hey, somebody! Mama, please, now you can't do this to me. Mama, please. We will go together. We'll go and meet Ngozeka together. Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, don't. Mama, Pico, no. Mama, please. I cannot live without you, Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, wake up. Mama, Pico. Mama, wake up. It's me, Uju. Mama, Pico, no. Mama, please. Mama, please. No, Mama, please. Mama, I cannot live without you.
This is pure wickedness. Mama, what is stand to gain? This is pure wickedness. Sister, what is stand to gain? I loved you as my mother. I care for you as my sister. I support you in all that you do. One I always stand for you, no matter what you do. Alele bugabo, chimo, enough wife and nafo. Alele bugabo, chimo, enough wife and nafo. Alele bugabo, chimo. For wife and nafo, obi amawa gomwa. Anya mire jumojo. My heart
Look at this man.
Please, sir.
Okay. What are you doing in my compound? Sir. Did you bring trouble here? You troublemaker?
No, sir. I come in peace.
Hey. You come in peace. Can you give what you don't have? Just look at yourself. There is no iota of peace in you. You are a troublemaker.
Please, can we just sit down and talk? I didn't come here to make trouble.
If you like, you can sit. If you like, you stand there. Yes, what can I do for you?
Uncle, like I said, I come in peace. Uncle, I should have listened to you from the very start, and I'm sorry about that. I know I did wrong by sending Ngozi away. Uncle, something bad happened to me.
Which is?
I lost my son.
Which one? The one Ujunwa had for you?
Yes, Papa.
Ah! Oh God, why? That handsome boy.
I lost my son out of her negligence and carelessness. And I'm on the verge of losing everything.
Of course. That I know.
Uncle. Uncle, I'm on the verge of losing everything, including the inheritance my late father left for me. Because my kid brother already has children. If I don't have a child, I would lose everything to him. Uncle, I should have just waited for God's time or purpose before pushing myself to asking for Ngozi's hand in marriage.
Okay. I was just wondering, I said, why did you come here? You just came like a sheep. So not that you really want Ngozi. What you want is just the child so that you can claim your inheritance.
No, Papa.
Eh?
No, sir.
So let me tell you, Ngozi was never your wife, oh.
Uncle, I know that. I know. Uncle, look, I'm just a victim of circumstance. I actually came for Ngozi, but I was told that she had mental illness or something. Yes. Which made me get married to Uju. And it's not like Ngozi is not a good person. Uncle, but I was manipulated.
You were manipulated. Okay, now, just look at it. You said you came for Ngozi, right?
Yes.
And you were deceived to go for Uju. Yes, I understand that woman very well. That wicked wife of my late brother. I know her very well. Very wicked. Yes, you may have been manipulated by her to marry Uju. Fine. But now you are coming here now to tell me that you want my grandson and my daughter because of your inheritance. Can't you see that you are being trickish? You are being crafty. You should have just told me straight that you are here for them. But now you want it to get your inheritance. So they are not instruments. Ah, come on.
Uncle, no, okay, Uncle, listen to me, please. I came to meet you directly and to apologize and for you to help me beg Ngozi. I am ready to do everything the right way, to pay a bride price, for her to come back home, for me to get my child. I am ready, Uncle. Please, put yourself in my shoes.
In as much as I will not tell you my decision right now, but I want to get one thing clear. Are you coming to pay her bride price so that you can get my grandson to claim your inheritance, or you really want to get Ngozi as your wife? I want to hear that answer first before any other thing. Tell me.
Please, just help me talk to Mom.
All I do every day is just to make you happy. All I think every day is about your well-being.
Good boy. My cooperative son is ready to eat the sock. Zog. What is going on here? What is he doing here?
Please, just calm down, okay? He came to the house pleading that I should bring him to you, and I had no option.
Hello, wasn't.
Fred, is hello. Hello. Fred, you had the guts to show your shameless face here after all you put me through. You are indeed shameless. I don't blame you. It is my uncle here I blame. Uncle, why would you bring this man to this place? You know this man is the last person I ever want to set my eyes on.
Please, I had no choice. I had no choice. Just calm down. Listen to what he has to say.
I am not interested. I am not interested in anything this man here has to say. Fred, just go, okay? Leave me alone.
Because I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did a very, very shameful act by chasing you out of the house. Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
That's it. Fred, this is what you came here to tell me. Look, if you like, lie down on the floor. If you like, fall into the gutter and roll in it to ask for my forgiveness. I will not forgive you. I will. Shut. I don't. Papa, I am done. I'm going home.
You are part that cause kept you black. I sacrificed all for you, yet you're not satisfied. You made me do all this, yet you're not satisfied. I showed you true love, yet you're not satisfied. You lured me into this world, yet you're not satisfied.
I should have known. I should have known you were the one that sent Fred to me.
No. I didn't. As a matter of fact, he threw me out of the house. He sent me packing.
He sent you packing?
Yes. I was careless with Chimobi. I left him on the bed without supporting him from falling. And then I went to the sitting room to watch television. Then Chimobi fell from the bed and smashed his skull on the floor.
No! Ah! That poor child! Why now? Ah. What are you doing here?
Uju, I've come to ask you for forgiveness. Please. Sister, please forgive me. I know I don't deserve to be called your sister. All you've ever shown me was through love. Please forgive me for all the pains I have caused you. I beg you with everything you hold sacred, please forgive me. Would you please, I am sorry. Mama is dead. Yes. What? She died a very painful death. What? When I got home from the city, she was very angry at me. She wanted to break my head, and in the process, she fell down. No! And she died.
Ah! No, Mama shouldn't have died. She doesn't deserve to die.
Mama seriously wanted your forgiveness. She craves for your forgiveness. She asked me to beg you to please forgive us. I know we treated you badly. Please have mercy. Forgive us for everything we have done to you. One name Biko Baram.
Uju, please. Uju, you may come. You dealt with me. All those times you fought me, you insulted me, you thought I was weak? You thought I couldn't fight back? No! It was just because of what my father made me promise him. To always love you people no matter what. You people...
Honey, please, I'm sorry.
It's okay,
please.
my daughter. Adam.
Please have mercy.
You see, I never liked your stepmother. And you know it. Including this one. I never liked them at all. But from the way she's begging and talking, I see somebody who has repented. So I want to also plead on your behalf so that you can forgive her, please.
Please, you stand up. Stand up, you sure. Stand up. Sit. Forgive you. Forgive you for all your mama put me through. My mama shouldn't have died.
I'm sorry.
Mama shouldn't have died like this, no.
It's okay, stop crying, it's okay.
Ngozi, please, I feel very ashamed and I'm sorry for what I've put you through. Please, find it in your heart to forgive me, please.
Go one name. Now that you have forgiven me, I want to ask you for a favor. Please, forgive Fred. He's a good man. I know he treated you badly, but it was all my fault. It was all me. Please forgive him. Accept him back. Biko. Accept him back. After all, he came for you first. Yes, he came for you first before Mama and I connived and took him away from you.
Yes,
Biko.
Unga. My daughter, you know, in our family, love runs in our blood. And that is why we leave the law of karma to take care of things. You see what you just said? That is the truth. I never liked this man either. But he explained to me and he turned out that your wicked stepmother manipulated them. Okay? So he has begged, and I want to plead also that you forgive him. You know, see, let me tell you. He has told me that he's coming to pay your bride price.
Uncle Biko, Fred, I have forgiven you. But both of you should continue. I don't want trouble.
Biko, there will be no sister, no, there will be no trouble. Okay? Matter of fact, this marriage wasn't meant to be. He didn't come for me. He came for you. You both were meant to be. Please. It was Mama that connived. Mama, we connived and took him away from you. Please. As it stands now, I'm leaving this village. Okay, I'm just going to find my way. I'll just go and put myself together. I'm not interested in marriage for now. Please. Remember he came for you first, like I said earlier. Biko.
That was what they used to convince me. He actually came for you first. Just that. You know your wicked stepmom now. She just manipulated all of them. Your star is there. I told you now. God will bring somebody that will wipe your tears. And he's bringing back Fred to come and wipe your tears. Okay?
All I do every day is just to make you happy. All I think every day is about your well-being.
Hey Fred, I was just about to reach you on the phone. Please have a seat.
Good day, Barrister.
Good day, how are you?
I'm fine.
Your younger brother just left my office and he has threatened to sue you for breaching what was stated in your father's will. I don't know how he got to know that you lost your son. That was given to you by your first wife whom you legally married to. And then again, after the news of your son's death, he came here to gloat and returned with an information of the authenticity of your second wife, whom you legally also got married to. But then there is another version to this whole story. That you mispaid her bride price to a wrong person entirely. Listen to me, Fred. He has a point here to prove when we get to court. But I can assure you that I'm ready for him.
Barrister. Barrister, give the company to him.
What? I can't do this.
Barrister, did you hear what I said?
Fred, what has come over you?
He's right. Yes, I gave the wrong person my wife's bride price.
But even at that, you can still correct this by giving the right bride price to the owner.
Barrister, during the course of me losing my child and my wife, my first wife, I had a rethink. Yes, I was almost ruining the chances of a young lady getting married, all in the chase of having a child. Even after giving me the child, I still sent her away, still trying to take the child from her. Isn't that an evil act? Which is not me, all in the quest of wanting to get the title of the CEO. Barrister, no. I'm sure that was the reason God had to take away my first child. Oh, well, it is what it is. So at this juncture, I've decided to relinquish the position of the CEO to my younger brother.
Are you very sure about this?
First, I am very sure. You know, family is everything to me. In this whole quest for CEOship and a whole lot of things has gone down, and truthfully, each time I get to think about it, I remember the terrible things that has gone down, and it doesn't go well with me. So I would come back to sign every necessary document and paper to discuss. I hope you understand.
Yes, I do. It's okay. It's okay. I will have to do the needful then.
Thank you, Barrister. I would take my leave right now.
Alright.
You are part that cause kept your luck. I sacrificed all for you, yet you're not satisfied. You made me do all this, yet you're not satisfied. I showed you through love, yet you're not satisfied.